Buddy, we're alive. It is day 1 of the ReactJS challenge. Get ready, get pumped, because we're about to bring it to you. This is about to be the best 5 days of your life, of your developer career life.
Oh yeah, they're gonna change everything. They're gonna change the game, guys, because we're gonna dive deep into this. So I'm Daniel, this is Naz, and we are going to go deep into helping you to build and become a ReactJS master.
Exactly. Welcome, guys. Welcome to everybody. Pumped as always to have you here, right? In these next 5 days, we're going to go over a lot of different things. You will get a chance to kickstart your career as a ReactJS developer, but most importantly, you will learn, you will be part of the community, you'll be pushed to extreme limits, and you will challenge yourself like you've not challenged yourself before. So for those of you who are ready, who are pumped, drop in the comments below, say I am pumped, I am ready for this challenge, I'm ready to take it on. If you are, drop in the comments below. I want to see everybody, what is up? Let's do this. We're going to get started in 1 second here. Bro, how excited are you?
I'm super excited. I hope you guys are just as excited, because this is super exciting, man. This is just exciting stuff. Excitement everywhere.
All right, cool, guys. So, honestly, right away, here's the thing. So, here's where we're at. This is what we're going to talk about today. Again, this is ReactJS Challenge Day 1. I hope you are sitting in your seat. You've got your seat buckled up, because where it's gonna get hot and ready, and you're about to be like moving like you're about to be like, let's go, I'm gonna bump you ride. That's how we're doing it. And then we're gonna have a
man, you're taking this for a bumpy ride, man.
We're gonna take you on the bumpy ride. That's how we go. We got so many people saying hello, what's up, ready, yay. Let's go. Oh, love it. I am ready. Woohoo. George, I'm ready, bro. Bial, I'm ready. What's up, everybody? So good to see you all. Hello. Guys, so what do we talk about today? Pretty simple. Again, challenge day 1. Get ready. We're going to build an amazing Slack clone, and we're just going to kickstart your career as a JavaScript ReactJS developer. Right? So there's me, there's Daniel, and we can see right here that we have, I know it says day 1, but I'm going to hide this for now. See, now it says day 1 right there, and I'll put it back. So now it doesn't say day 1.
Now it's hiding it.
Exactly. So what's going to happen? So let's see, your opportunity to become a ReactJS developer, right? If you are here who is someone who wants to become a ReactJS developer, you are someone who is here because you want to maybe change your career, change your position, let us know in the comments below, right? Let us know in the comments below. And for those of you who are on YouTube, just so you know, guys, before we get started, if you have not joined the ReactJS challenge just yet, a link is down in the description to join. Again, it's a completely free 5-day ReactJS challenge, right? You will get to kickstart your career as a ReactJS developer, and it's completely for beginners. So if you have zero idea of what development is, no problem. If you're sitting at home, you're like, shit, I don't know what to do maybe with my life, I don't know what to do for the next 5 days, go ahead, click the link down below and kickstart your career.
And make sure you join, because we also have an epic community. We have a Discord group, we have a Slack, we have Discord. What else do we have? We have a Facebook community. All these communities are, everyone's gonna be working together through this challenge, so you'll be able to join that and get started and get going.
All right, next thing, guys, let's go ahead. We currently have 685 people in the house. What is up? Let's go ahead and smash that like button. Smash the like button. Let's go ahead and get the like button to 300 likes. Everybody right now, smash it. Smash it right now. Let's go ahead and help us out with defeating the YouTube algorithm, and so that it can recommend to more people, right? Because at the end of the day, you know, we're putting out good stuff. We're putting out good content. It'd be amazing for other people to see it. So we're currently at 300 likes. Holy fuck, never mind.
Thank you guys so much.
All right, let's get to 400 likes in that case. 400 likes indeed. All right. Again, in that case, I think let's just get into it.
Let's get
cool.
Into it.
So your opportunity to become a ReactJS developer. Somebody's like, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready now.
Right.
Cool. All right. So your opportunity. So what's going to happen? So you all ready for this? I think so.
First things first, what do we want them to do? Guys, in this challenge, we want to make sure you have your complete attention, because that's how you're going to get the most value from this. So make sure you get your phones, and you turn them off, put them on silent, whatever that is, do not disturb. That's going to allow you to focus.
See this phone? Throw it out the window.
Throw it.
But but not liable if you break it, just so you know. Okay? Yeah. Not liable. I'm sorry.
Not at all.
That's not going to happen. You break it. You break it.
Now, before you turn off your phone, what we also want you to make sure is we want you to share this challenge with everyone that you know. Talk about it.
Please.
Go ahead. Go on Instagram. Take a quick picture right now of your screen as we're talking and show the world that you're doing some epic stuff.
Yes.
You're part of an amazing challenge.
Always. Not only will this be, not only by sharing will you get our attention, but again, as you guys know, later on, you'll figure out that we have prizes for you, right? Amazing prizes. And the more you get to share, the more we see you, the more attention you get to from us, right? And of course, you get higher up in the ability to win some epic prizes, which we'll talk about here in 1 second, okay? So, okay, cool. So tag us here on Clever Kazi. That is the Clever Programmer channel. Naz Dumansky. That is me right here. And then this guy right here.
Safer.
Safer. His name is Daniel, guys. Not D Safer. So go ahead and tag him on that. But tag us all on there, and we'll make sure to grab your attention. Just grab us attention. That's the goal. And share. Most importantly, share with everybody. What you're doing, because the more you share with the world what you're up to, the more attention you have, and the more possibilities and opportunities you have. Like, how do you think I got here? Or how do you think Daniel got here? Social media. Literally, I got here through social media. Exactly. Just that's it, right?
Share your journey. Everyone wants to see that. People are voting for you. People are rooting for you. As Frankie always says.
Let's go ahead and get that to 500 likes, guys. 500 likes. Let's go! 451 right now. Cool.
All right, now. So what is this 5-day challenge? What has this 5-day challenge been able to do before?
Well, honestly, this has been an amazing journey, and we love doing it because so many lives get to be transformed. You know what I mean? Like in the last 5-day challenge, look at this. In the last 5-day challenge, ReactJS challenge, right, was epic. We had 113,000 comments, right, from people. We had in our Facebook group, we don't have this on here, but we literally had only 20K people in the Facebook group. Like literally, bro, 20K people. Oh, I know I'm typing like this. 20K people right there, right, in the Facebook group. And so many people got to transform their lives and actually become ReactJS developers, right? Mm-hmm. And we have examples of people who actually just did that, right? So, and again, we had altogether 535,000 views on live streams. Holy shit. Insane. Holy shit. Holy barnacles.
Yes, barnacles. I've never heard not say that before, but this is holy barnacles worthy.
Barnacles. Oh, come on, I gotta have some fun sometimes.
So who are these people that have been able to get results?
So we have Yasin, for example, right? Vaibha, Jenmar, right? Rayban, Jonelle, right? Ava, Aravinda, right? Michelle. Look at all these projects. Look at all these amazing projects they got to build and kickstart their careers as ReactJS developers, right? Before we did this store locator. And if you want us to do another JavaScript challenge that's like also store locator challenge, let us know down in the comments below, and we'll make sure to check it out. Maybe we'll do another challenge at some point with this store locator, because this was a fun one. There was a lot to do, and people enjoyed it, and actually gave people a lot of opportunities. Yep. Cool.
And they had an amazing experience. Look at this, right?
Jemar here. My future looks bright to be able to do freelancing finally, right? And Jemar, actually, guys, I don't know if you know, after the challenge, when she came over to our actually course, Profit with JavaScript, crazy enough, she actually went from a 50K job to a 96K job, which was like, holy shit, right? Dang. Just from being part of this challenge, just from being part of the community we currently are at. Oh my God, man. So it's...
that just speaks volume to the type of value that you're going to get from being inside of this challenge and participating and just doing what we do in this challenge.
Yes. And Jessica here, girl, says, I'm ready to take on the world. Jessica's doing amazing stuff as well. This is her first time doing JavaScript and coding just in general. I already started to build my own website after day 4 of the live training. Holy shit. Dina's story is amazing, guys. Literally, Dina's story right here. During COVID, she lost her job, right? She lost her job at, she had a hostel. And she lost the hostel, basically bankrupted the hostel because, we just couldn't keep up. And she had to figure out a way to support the family. And she did. She joined the ReactJS challenge. After that, crazy enough, I think after about a month or 2, she did a hackathon. Let me type this out. She did a hackathon. And then after that, she now has a ReactJS job. And she's making, I'm not sure how much she's making. I think she's making about 40K right now.
Yeah.
But for Brazil,
That's amazing.
she's in Brazil.
That's amazing.
That's fucking insane. Are you kidding me? A ReactJS job?
So that started with this challenge that allowed her to just have that career transition and move in the right direction.
Yeah. So guys, that's what I'm trying to say, guys, here, right? This is a potential life-changing opportunity, and it's free for you, absolutely free. So take this, of course, with very serious, very serious. Do not just, be like, oh, it's nothing. This has the opportunity to literally change your life as it has for so many. Cool. So next up, let's go ahead. We have Carl. Oh, I love this guy. Transformative experience for me. I did it. Let's fucking go, Carl. Amazing. Again, and here are some experiences we had from actually people like wholesale landed jobs. For example, like we had Frank who landed a 170K contract with Sonos. And he actually came here, guys. He came here. He showed us his app that he built.
It's amazing.
Using, guess what? What did he use?
Is it React Native?
Yeah, he actually used ReactJS Native, which is insane. Yeah, exactly. Right. Devin here as well got a job as a 6-figure developer at PayPal recently. He's doing epic. Again, Jemar, as I've already mentioned, look at that. Jemar says, right at the end of the live call, I got a phone call with a job offer and almost twice as what I used to make. They mentioned that they really impressed. I don't know how to make sure I want to show it. There we go. Yeah. It really impressed them was the COVID tracker. We are learning real-world projects that land jobs for real. And the COVID tracker is the project we built in Profit JavaScript in one of our courses, which we will talk about later on, as we move forward. Okay, cool. All right, let's go ahead and move on. Next up, Rishi. Rishi's probably somewhere in the house, probably in the Discord, somewhere else. He's amazing. He started out with a ReactJS challenge, actually I think with a JavaScript challenge, and he joined our community as well. And now he had his first job, pretty sick. Look at that. So his first job making 50K as a ReactJS developer.
That was so huge for him. I mean, he moved across the country just for this opportunity, and that kickstarted his career.
It's insane, man. It's insane.
This challenge is changing lives, and if you take it seriously, it can also change your life.
Yes. And currently, we are at 494 likes. Let's get to 500. Let's go. You guys are sick. I love you all so much. I appreciate you as always. Okay, cool. All right, let's go. Whew. Ooh, oh, Calvin. Also, look at this, guys. $52,000. I think he's Nigeria. I think where did he go? Nigeria?
I think so.
No, actually, no, Dublin, Ireland.
Oh, there we go.
No. His job is in Dublin, Ireland, but he's from Nigeria, and he landed his first internship at 52K. Holy fuck,
dude! These are some real numbers. These are some real
numbers. We actually have his testimonial, his offer, and everything, guys. These are real people. Same thing with Brad right here. It's crazy, okay?
And it just doesn't end.
Okay. Holy shit! You want to read it? Go ahead, read it.
So, guys, all these people were able to do it. All these people were able to start with the challenge just like this one. So how can you also do the same? How can you also start to take that path and go down, the same path that they did to have that kickstart in their career?
Yes. So let's go take a look at this, right? So how can I do it? That's what we're going to be showing you in this challenge, okay? All right, so here's what we're going to be building in this challenge. That's part one. Look at this amazing clone. Let's go. So not only will you get a chance to learn ReactJS and JavaScript in general, you will build your first project, which is a Slack clone. Like, whose first project is a Slack clone, bro?
Not many people.
Slack. They usually put down like a small to-do list, which is like, oh, blah, 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 blah. Look how cool it is, but it's shitty,
Yeah.
So like, to be able to build a Slack clone, but here's the thing. In this Slack clone, we'll get to use technologies. Do we have technologies somewhere there? No. Look at this. In this Slack clone, we'll get to use technologies like crazy. Look at this. Let me type this out for you so you have it here, guys. And kind of screenshot this, guys, for yourself, okay? So we'll get to use stuff like, for example, of course, ReactJS. You guys know this at this point, right? We'll get to use, for example, style components, which is insane. Style components, right? We'll get to use things like, for example, Firebase, right, for data. Right, and the cool thing, this is for data purposes. So let me go ahead and for data purposes, this is how we're going to save data, right? So if I go ahead, for example, if I point to it for you, let me go ahead and point it. This data is what kind of shows up. This right here, you see how it says Jessie right here, for example. Jessie, one of our amazing teachers, right? She's actually in the comments, guys. Make sure to shout out to her and David, of course, as well, and Amanath, just the whole team. We'll introduce the whole team here in a second. But again, style components is kind of how we're going to style this stuff right here. ReactJS in general, that's the whole application, okay? On top of that, you get to learn stuff like, okay, what are, for example, like components, right? So components is kind of the building blocks of React.js in general. You'll get to learn things, for example, how to go ahead and, we talk about how to style the components, but how to actually build a live chat app, right? Because this stuff right here, like, yes, it's cool, but this stuff right here, let me show you. This stuff is actually live. So for example, when you go to WhatsApp, or maybe messages, and you're texting someone and it kind of shows up live kind of as you're doing it. That's what we're going to do. So these messages, as you type in here, will show up live, and other people will be able to kind of come in, and also you will see their messages. How sick is that, man?
So Naz, you're telling me if someone does this clone,
yes,
they're going to have the opportunity to learn all the things they need to learn about React. But not only that, they're going to learn some backend stuff as well, becoming maybe full stack developers.
Yeah, you're basically, you basically are learning kind of the front end aspect, which is what you see here on the front end right here, but also how the data side is stored, right? So that data B.
Oh, that should be a nickname for database. Database.
Database. So yeah, right. Of course, that's you're going to learn the data part of it, which is the backend, and that kind of gets you towards becoming a what? A full stack developer, right? That should be a goal for everybody, right? When you can know the front end and you can know the back end, when you know two sides of the coin, guys, you're very, very powerful. You're like Thanos.
Yes.
Got this. I've got all the powers in all my knuckles. You got all the powers. That's who you are. But let's not compare Thanos. But anyways, you do have all the powers, right? So not only does that give you more opportunities, but it gives you so much more. So, right, as we said, guys, React.js, right, you'll get to learn, components, right, style components. You'll get to learn, for example, things like React Router, right, React Router, how to go ahead and make API calls, right, things like that, like API calls, right, and so much more. It continues on, okay? So, who is pumped for that? Drop that in the comments below if you're ready to just learn all these things. And if it's these things you just don't know what they are, no problemo. We got you.
We got you.
So
if you're excited, drop that little fire, because here's something crazy. When you finish this challenge, if you go through it, not only will you have an amazing clone, an amazing portfolio, but we also have something very special, guys.
Yes.
At the end of this challenge, what are we going to be doing, Naz?
Check this out, guys. So at the end of this challenge, let me go ahead and do this. At the end of this challenge, guys, don't forget, we have prizes. Let's go. All right. So here's the prizes. So let's not really quickly screenshot this, everybody. I want you to screenshot these prizes, and I want you to tag us in your Instagram post, okay? Tag us in your Instagram post. Again, this is how we get to know you. Gives you a chance to go ahead and actually win these prizes, okay? So first place prize wins a free enrollment in our 6-month online coding bootcamp called Full Stack Mastery, worth $15,000. And that is not a joke. Not a joke. This is a full stack mastery coding bootcamp where our students are taken from zero, literally from zero, to full-on full stack developers and actually landing a job as a full stack developer. So if you know zero, if you literally know zip, nada, kaput, kapusta, everything, nothing, then this is the place for you, right? It's called Full Stack Mastery. It's a program that we started, right? And it's been amazing. We already have 2 students in the program who already got their first React.js jobs, and it's been a great experience. So that's our first place, okay? Okay, second place is going to be all Clever Programmer courses that ever exist completely for free. That's worth $3,000 right there, guys. Wow. If you're pumped for that, drop that in the comments below. And third place, as you know, you'll get a chance to enroll for free in our Profit with JavaScript course, which is also our flagship course for JavaScript. Let's go! And we're also, of course, we're pumped for that. We love that course. All right, Zark, let's go.
So what do they need to do to be able to be part of these challenges and be able to actually win the prizes?
Yeah, so check this out. To be able to do this, okay, number 1, okay, really important, guys. Be positive. You want to be positive in the comments. If you're on YouTube, be positive in the comments. If you're on Facebook, positive in the comments. If you're on Discord channel, be positive in the comments. Help everybody else. We look for positivity. If you're negative, you're out. Sorry. Bye-bye. Like, sayonara. I don't want negativity.
No one likes
none
negative
of that bullshit.
developers. No, sir.
No, none of that bullshit. I hate that. So we throw you out, okay? If you don't want to have the chance to, we're giving this to you for free. We expect respect back from you, okay? We expect some respect back from you. Okay, engage, of course. Engage in the chat, but don't spam, of course. We see a lot of people.
Oh,
We
dude,
see.
I
I want to keep
the
it
music.
going.
Okay, gotcha.
We see a lot. We see a lot of people, right? Sometimes spamming, just copying and pasting the same comment. Don't do that, right? Participate all 5 days. Be present on all 5 days. If you can't participate because you have work, no problem. Rewatch the videos. Just make sure you comment as well. Let us know that you've done. Do the homework. Very important. Every single day for 5 days straight, you will have homework, and you will have a chance to submit the homework. So make sure you finish that up as well. Okay. Make the full project, and if you add extra features, bonus. That's actually really important, guys. Add extra features. As you build our Slack clone, add on top of it, maybe add a different theme, a different color, different features to it. That's what catches our eyes to be able to give you the chance to win. The what? Oop. The 15K bootcamp right here, guys. All right, so make sure you do that. Cool. So if that's understandable, we are currently at 974 people live. Woo! Let's go. I'm so happy with that. And we are currently at 573 likes, guys. Come on, 600. Come on.
We need more. Come on, guys.
We'll get to 1,000K, no problem. Likes. I know this. Come on.
Easy.
This is come on. 600 likes. Let's go, everybody, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. You got this, guys. I know.
So as you guys are liking this video, we need to ask you, who is ready to start to play all out? Who is ready to show up so that you can crush this challenge? You can learn everything you need to know about ReactJS and potentially win these prizes if you absolutely crush. I want you to comment below. I'm ready. Drop a little rocket sign, a little fire sign. Show us that you're passionate and you're excited to get this going.
Let's go. Let's go. Cool. So, all right, let's get into it. Okay, really quickly. So, who's ready to put their 100% in play to win? Well, leave a comment. I'm in it to win it down below in the Facebook and on YouTube. This is going to be pumped up. Say this exact same comment. Let's go. Let's go. I know you guys are going to do this. All right, 638 likes just like that.
Let's go.
You guys are amazing.
Thank
and
you
of course,
guys
at the end of the day, guys, at the end of this right here, as you stick around, we're going to do a Q&A at the end of this so that you will be able to get a chance to ask Naz and Daniel, us, the most burning questions you have about, maybe development, maybe, you're stuck on something. Just let us know in the comments, and then we'll go ahead and answer those later on. So cool.
So who was able to bring this all together?
So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the amazing team that currently are here, right? There's more even people behind the scenes you might not even know. For example, like Melanie, right? And a few more, right? But all of these oh, do we have them next slide?
There's another slide. They're all there.
Oh,
They're all
thank
there.
God. I love them. Okay, good. So
this is everyone from content to even customer support to operations. Everyone that we have here, we couldn't have done it without them, the whole Clever Programmer team.
Yes, guys. So let's go. Just thank everybody. Just say thank you, CP team, down in the comments below, guys. Really appreciate that, okay? Right? Because you guys know, the man himself, Daniel, right here, guys, as you know. Of course, we also have Frankie. Frankie's in the back. Say hi. Hey, he's in the back, guys. He's in the back. He's
always got our back.
He's always got our back. He's an amazing guy. I love that guy so much. Amanath, as always, God, such an amazing human being. Monet, so amazing. Love her. Yes, Naz, yeah, that's me. Jesse.
Hey,
Jesse.
hype yourself up. Naz, let's go.
Sorry, I mean, you guys will have to get ready for this energy. This energy is going to be there for 5 days. So
5 days, baby.
Yeah. Jesse, of course, same situation. Love her. David, amazing guy. Rachel, best human being. Same as Sheila as well. Amazing. God. Amazing. Thank you all so much. I mean,
Sheila, we get twice.
Sheila got twice. Let's go, Sheila. Woo. Let's go, Sheila. Woo. Let's go. And of course, you got Patch. You guys maybe remember this Patch, especially for Instagram. Melanie.
Yo, Patch is the new face of TikTok.
I know, right? That's true. We got Yusuf. He is part of the LinkedIn team and just part of this amazing team, and he's doing an amazing job. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Kyle, he's killing it on the edits, all the stuff you guys see right now on YouTube. He's just doing an amazing job. He's doing amazing edits for us. And yeah, so just everybody, thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. And Rishi, he's doing an epic job being part of the PWJ, kind of managing that, also managing PWJ. Such an amazing job on that. Oh, God. Look, this is just like... Oh, right here. Let me make sure. I forgot to close here. Right here. Kyle, and then Rishi, and then Yusuf. Hopefully I showed that to you guys.
Yes.
So, again, thank you so much for the CP team. You guys are epic. Love you all. This is the reason why this stuff can happen, guys. Because together we can move mountains. Like, together, I always say that as a person, you can move a hill, but together as a team, you can move amazing mountains and create drastic change. And that's what we are here to do, right? We are here as a team. We complement each other. We work together. We are here towards the same goal, which is to help you guys become developers. Our goal for this year is to actually get $5,000 job. I never know how to say this right. 5,000 developer jobs for developers.
5,000 developers land their dream job.
There we go. Thank you so much. Thank you. See this? He got my back. See,
that's all. I'm just here to correct Nas. That's the only reason I'm here.
So that's our goal, guys. And again, and you are the community. You're part of it as well. So thank you guys for being positive and communicative with us. Cool. So agenda for today. Okay, very, very, very simple. Holy shit, 662 likes. Let's get us to 700. Let's go. Woo! 700 likes, guys. I know you got this. Okay. So agenda for today, let's go. Day 1 today is starting on your journey, opportunities to ReactJS developers, okay? Day 2, and of course we'll talk about how to make money as a JavaScript developer. Who here wants to make money as a JavaScript/ReactJS developer? Leave that in the comment below. Let's go ahead and see that. Who wants to make money as a ReactJS developer, huh? Let's see. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Day 2, Slack clone, part 1. Sick. Okay, next up, what do we have? Day 3, Slack clone, part 2. Oh, let's go. Slack clone part 2. Slack clone part 2. Okay. Day 3 is going to be what? It's going to be day 4. No, day 4. Slack clone part 3.
Wow.
And finally, what is day 5?
Day 5 is going to be the amazing roadmap to 6-figure developer day, guys.
Let's go. Developer day. I love it. This is the fun part.
Whoa,
and then, hold
on. Day 6.
Ooh.
What is going on in day 6, Nas?
I don't know. But something interesting is going to happen day 6, okay? Don't worry about that. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be cool. You will be surprised and you'll be like, holy shit. I'm so happy I did this day 5 day challenge. Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so cool. Everybody's pumped up, honestly, in the comments and everywhere. Guys, let's get this to 700 likes, please. Let's go. I know you guys got this. Let's take this 700 likes. Let's go ahead and tell you about them just how sick this is, because we're doing crazy stuff here for everybody. We're doing amazing stuff, and we're just, we're enjoying it at the same time. Yeah, the best part is we're enjoying this. So, showtime. Let's go. You ready?
Let's do it.
Ready? Woo!
Appreciate your sound, need a renovation.
Oh! Oh my god, this is so good. We enjoyed this so much, guys. This is why we have so much fun.
We just get to code and have fun and show you guys how to do it, guys. So we're super happy to be here. So the question is, how many of you want to become a ReactJS developer?
Leave that in the comments below. I want to see those right now, guys. So many. Oh, George is like, showtime. Let's go. So many amazing people. 719 likes. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. George says, showtime. Amazing. You guys are doing it. Guys, you guys is just going to be so good, guys. Ooh. Let's go. What does it say? Oh, yeah, let's go. Wait, how do I go ahead and show this? Oh, there we go. Cool. Beautiful. All right, next up. So starting your journey as a ReactJS developer. Okay, let's get serious. Take out your pens, take out your notepads, whatever you gotta do. Take them out, just put them on the table, and then slap them on there, and then just
take your notes.
Yeah, let's go. So we'll go deep into building your personal roadmap for making 100K per year as a JavaScript developer on day 3 of our live training. Yes. Okay. But for now, let's figure out your opportunities to become a developer in 2021. This is actually going to be day 5, guys. This day 5. This shouldn't be day 3. This should be day 5 right here. Don't worry. So on the last day, we're going to talk about the opportunity, like
the roadmap,
how to become, how to make 100K per year. So don't worry about that. That's going to be day 5, guys. But for now, let's go ahead and figure out your opportunities to become a JavaScript developer and why you're even here and why you should just learn ReactJS in general. Okay.
So to get started, it all starts with habits.
So what are some habits they need to learn, Daniel? Tell me.
Well, they're right in front of us, but one of them is you want to make sure you're doing this because you love it, you're having fun, and it's enjoyable for you, because the one thing you want to make sure you don't do programming for or learning how to become a developer is for the money.
Money, yes. Money is good as developer, yes, but it's not what's going to take you to the next level. You have to be able to enjoy what you do, guys. That's the most important part. It can be the first initiative because maybe like you're stuck in a career you don't want to do, but you really need to enjoy something like coding because it's just not easy. Coding is just not easy in general.
It's hard.
Right? It's not easy. Work. It's going to take a lot of hard work, a lot of patience. And so what else do you think they need to...
Well, you just said them. They should develop a habit of hard work and a habit of patience as well, right?
Yeah, there you go. Patience. What else should they develop?
You need to learn how to cooperate with other people and a team so that both of you guys or the whole team, as Nas said, can move a mountain and not just a hill.
Yes, I can. And this is a very important part. This is what something a lot of people miss. And we'll talk a little bit about that on day 5 as well, right? How do you cooperate more with the team? Because like we even spoke with a Google recruiter and they said that team cooperation and, you know, your EQ is one of the biggest things they look for when they go ahead and hire someone. So like that to me is like really interesting, right? Because if you can't work the team, nobody wants to work with an asshole. No matter what job you're at, if he was an asshole, I would not want to work with him, right? Like, you know, that's just the case. Can you make that focus, please? Can you press the button?
This one?
Yeah, press the button. Thank you so much. Okay, awesome. Cool, guys. So you see, that's a goal. Communication, very important, guys. Communicate what you're doing, right? Learning, always be learning as a developer. You always have to stay on top of the things, you know, learning new technologies and so forth. And of course, take initiative right here. Don't just wait for people to tell you things. That's just a good goal in general for life, right? Don't just wait for people to give you to tell you what to do. Just do it. Just do it. I always tell that to everybody. May they are be in the full stack mastery coding bootcamp or are they in PWJ? Doesn't matter. Take initiative. So make sure you write that part down. Okay. Cool. All right. Next up. So comment below. What can making money as a JavaScript developer help you achieve in your life? Tell me. Go ahead. Down below. Are you looking for financial freedom? Like why? Are you looking for to support your family? Correct. Are you looking for because have more time to spend with your loved ones? Is that the reason why you want to become a React JavaScript developer?
And to touch on Naz's point, the reason you want to ask these difficult questions is because you want to dig deep and figure out your why. Because Nas said this isn't an easy journey. It's going to take hard work. It's going to take patience. So that why of yours needs to be strong and it needs to be your anchor. It needs to have a big purpose for you.
Yes. A lot of people are saying financial freedom. Let me go and take a look at this. A lot of people are saying financial freedom. People are saying all of them. Some people are saying looking for a new job, right? Some people are saying Jesse, the bomb. Let's go. Support my family. That's amazing.
That's amazing, guys.
Yeah. So it's all amazing stuff, right? All of them. College money, support, financial freedom. Financial freedom is a big one. I would say so for sure, right? Being able to, you know, work from anywhere you want, right, and not being like stuck up into working for minimum wage or anything like that, and just enjoying what you do. I would say so, you know. And I'll actually put another bracket on here. You know, what is the reason? I'll actually put another bracket, which is like, you know what? Maybe just you want to enjoy what you do. Enjoy what you do. Whoa. I think it's another aspect.
Yeah. For sure.
Right? Enjoy what you do.
Yeah, I mean, imagine if you could show up to work every day, passionate about what you're doing, right? Even if you're working for someone else, that's totally fine. If you're passionate about it, if you're enjoying what you're doing, I think that's a life worth living because you're actually living true to your purpose.
Like for us, for example, here, guys, like the reason why we can do so many calls, like so many live calls, is because we enjoy this stuff. Like we love getting the chance to interact with you guys. We love getting the chance to just be with you, right? That's why, because we love what we do. Cool. So that's why. Okay, let's figure out your income goals. Okay, how much income do you want to make per month as a React JavaScript developer? Drop in the comments below. You're thinking about 50K, but also be reasonable. Don't say like fucking
1,000 million,
1,000 million, fucking $1 trillion, $500 million. No, please be reasonable. Okay.
And this question is important, guys, because again, as it is very realistic, you now know what you can start to work with. Once you set that goal, you can reverse engineer that goal and figure out the action steps that you have to set to be able to hit that goal. So comment down below your specific goal and what that looks like for you.
Exactly. And let's go ahead, guys. And also at the same time, while you're doing that, make sure to hit the like button right now. Hit the like button right now. Help us with this YouTube algorithm, because YouTube algorithm sometimes can be a little bit of a hassle.
We have to defeat the YouTube algorithm because we cannot let it beat us.
No, let's not beat us, guys. Our goal in this YouTube live call and Facebook live call is to get 1K likes.
1K.
So let's go ahead and
1K.
get to that as soon as possible, because then you know what? And then it's just gonna be, somebody said $1 billion. Holy shit.
Come on, guys.
Sam said $20K. That's that 20K above 70K. That's pretty doable. I would say so.
Yeah.
150K. That's pretty good. Gabi right here as well.
That, yeah.
7K. You guys can even do more than 7K. I would say so as well.
I think that might be the per month.
Yeah. So 7K per month. 100K. That's pretty good too.
Perfect. Six figures.
So
I love
100K is good. So yeah, some great numbers. I like that. Okay. Now, do you want to freelance or full time? Okay, let's think about this, right? So as a freelancer, right, what are some benefits you get as a freelancer? Think about this. What do you think, Daniel?
Well, one of the first ones I thought was remote work, but sometimes that is applicable to full time as well. But I think that's still something that people like, right? It's kind of remote work, and you can maybe work around on your own schedule.
Remote
right?
work from anywhere. So you want to work at Bali? You can work on Bali, right?
Oh, man.
But especially right now during COVID, guys, you have the opportunity to work remotely, even if you have a full-time job as well. So don't just limit yourself to freelance. You can do both if you wanted to, or you can try one and try another one, right? So don't just limit yourself. Also, for example, this, again, remote work can be here, right? Remote work can be here. Work from anywhere, right? That's kind of the goal. Awesome. Next, freelance. What else do you think is a benefit from freelancing?
Oh, man, I think you can kind of choose your own hours. You don't necessarily have to work the core hours all the time, right?
Yeah. So choose your own. Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
No,
don't die.
I'm dying. Choose your own hours. That's great. Because here, again, a full time, you kind of have to do like a 9 to 5 a lot of times, right? Which is, for some people, it's fine, right? For some people, it's like, no problem whatsoever. As long as I love what I do and I'm making good money, that's all that matters, right? So that's fine. What else? What do you think?
So, I mean, this could be a pro or a con, but as a freelancer, you're going to have to be in charge of yourself. Mm-hmm. So you're going to do like your own marketing. You're going to have to find your own clients, all those things, right? Yeah. So that could be a pro or con, right? If you want to do that, if you want to go to those events to network with people, to find your clients, then it's a pro. If you don't want to do that, then it might be more of a con, but you are in charge of your success specifically as a freelancer.
Exactly. So that's, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because if you can't be in charge of yourself, you can't be disciplined. So that's what you have to be. You have to be disciplined, right? So be disciplined. Yes. And I'm sorry, and if you can't be disciplined, you cannot be a freelancer. I'm sorry. That's just facts. Okay. If you can't get up, for example, if you can't, because you're the one getting clients. You're the one who has to do client management and project management, right? And sales, that kind of stuff. If you can't do that, if you cannot be disciplined around that, I'm sorry. I think maybe full-time would be better for you, right? Exactly. But of course, try it out and see how you work with that.
Exactly. And we're not here to tell you go one way or the other. We're here to just give you the truth of both so that you can decide for yourself, because either is perfectly fine. You just want to make sure you're doing it for the right reasons.
Yeah, but you also, and with full-time, yes, work is selected for you, so you're not so much in charge of yourself, but you also do have the option to select projects, right? To select your project, right? Yeah. So there's really nothing bad about full-time. I've done full-time a big part of my career. I also did freelancing, and I'm also doing this right now. So it's crazy, right? But also, do have and as a full-time, there's nothing really bad. You have the option to select your own project, no problem whatsoever. Yeah. Right? At all. So it's pretty good too. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Next up, freelance. What else do you think? Freelancing, what I would say is one pro is select your own projects.
Amazing. Right? Because if you have clients coming to you, you could tell if there's a project you're not passionate about, you're not excited about, you could say, hey, like refer them to someone else, point them in another direction. Exactly. They can get the help elsewhere. And then the ones that you're excited about, you're like, I want to work on this project. You can do that. Exactly.
And the cool thing is, like, you get to wear hats. Like, it can be pro or con, wear many, many hats. Now, I'm not actually saying like actual many hats. Like, I don't have any hat right now, but
I want to wear 5 hats.
But I'm saying, guys, a hat. See, I'm trying to look for but I mean, like, hats where, like, you get to be sales and project management and client management. So you actually get to learn a lot as a freelancer at the same time, too, right? And also, one other thing I would say is, your income, there's really no limit, right? But also getting to a higher limit, getting to a higher income is also pretty hard. So, yeah.
Right? But I think the important thing is it's flexibility. Because the reality is you can work maybe even just 20 hours and still make the $70,000 a year if you pick the right projects and you buy yourself those 20 hours a week instead of having to work the 40 hours a week, right? Exactly. So you have that flexibility to choose whether you want to go really hard and go as hard as you can to make as much money, or pull back so you have more time to spend with family, to support your family, to spend with friends, whatever that is for you, traveling,
Yeah,
whatever that is.
exactly. So that's the cool part about it is the flexibility, right? Is you've been able to work from anywhere you want and go anywhere. So like if you want to stop working, just stop working. You know, I mean, of course you're not making money, but still, you know. But I think the cool part here is the opportunity here to learn is also on the full time is also pretty great. So to learn, right? Opportunity to learn.
Because sometimes you're going to be put in a position where you're going to have amazing coworkers who are also smart and knowledgeable, who you can talk to and leverage and learn from them, so you can accelerate your learning process as well. Right?
Yeah, mentorship, right? Because as a freelancer, you're kind of on your own. That's the issue, right? You're very much on your own, and you don't have many people to bounce off ideas from, right? You know, and so that kind of can leave you feeling like, oh shit, I can't do this. But when you're in a full-time job, you know, you're pretty much you're there with people, and that's always amazing, right? I'm very extroverted. Actually, I'm introverted / extroverted, but I love.
I know he's extroverted. I don't know what he's talking about.
Trust me, I was introverted when I was in high school. I was introverted fuck. Trust me. So cool, awesome. So that's kind of full time. And let us know in the comments below from what you just seen right now, guys. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think? Like, which part are you freelance?
Yeah.
Or do you see yourself full-time? Or maybe you see yourself both.
Yes, you can actually do both, right? Because you can have a full-time job and on the side pick up freelancing projects you're passionate about. So there's nothing wrong with doing one or the other or both. And again, we're just here to kind of educate you guys on the different opportunities so that you could choose for yourself what's the best decision.
Yeah, exactly. We have a lot of people saying full time. A lot of people saying see both.
That's awesome.
Both.
Amazing.
Yeah, a lot of people saying both. Oh shit, full time. Maybe on the future will change. Both. Wow, a lot of both. Hassan says both. That's amazing.
Yeah, and also, guys, the cool thing is none of them are permanent. Like at any time you could go full time, and if the move is right, you could go over to freelancing.
Yes.
Or you can also start as a freelancer, and whenever time is right, you can go over to full time. So it's just cool because it's so flexible. But again, the thing is, you have to be aware of your goals, which is what we're going to be diving into next, right?
So let's talk about them next right now, guys, okay? So make sure you guys screenshot this portion if you have to. So remember this, okay? And you can maybe share it later on in Discord and anywhere else. And again, guys, for those of you, right? Hold on, let me go. For those of you who are not in the JavaScript challenge, again, this is exclusive. A lot of stuff that are happening in Discord. We have a Discord community. You have a Facebook community, right? If you're watching on YouTube and you're not part of those, make sure to join them. ReactJS challenge is down below. That's the only way that you will get the chance to win the $15K bootcamp, right? Get a chance to be selected for that. So make sure you join. Link is on the description. Join that specific amazing group right there. Awesome. Let's go and keep going. And guys, we are currently at 815 likes. Come on, let's get to 900 likes. Come on, let's go.
I love how you always put the music, bro.
Appreciate your sound.
What move is this?
Appreciate your sound. Appreciate your sound.
All right. All right. So 805 likes. Come on, guys. We get to 850 likes. What?
All right, guys. So take that screenshot, guys. Take that screenshot. We're having fun because next we are going to make this super simple for your journey because it all starts with one thing. And what is that one thing?
And that is actually a long-term goal, right? Write down the long-term goal. Okay, what is your goal? Your goal is it to you want to go ahead and become a full stack developer, right? If it's a full stack developer, that's amazing, right? That's 1-2 years. You could be looking 1 to 5 years, potentially 6 to 7 months if you join our full stack mastery coding bootcamp.
Whoa.
Yeah, exactly. Whoa. So,
but here's the point, guys. Like when you do this, even if you think 1 to 5 years, if you're able to have that career transition and become that developer and get that dream job, this is something you could do for the next 20 to 30 to 40 years of your life. But it's just going to take that 1 to 5 years or 6 months if you go to Full Stack Mastery Bootcamp to be able to have that transition. But you want to think long term. What do you want to be doing 5 years from now, 10 years
Exactly, right? So make sure you write this stuff down because as you write down, you remember that's how it gets into your brain, right? But again, you look at this as the career. This is not just a short-term thing where you just try it out and you quit. No, this is a long-term thing, right? You learn, you put in time because you know what? There's a saying that says, nothing worth having comes easy, okay? So if you're going to be doing this for the rest of your life, put in the time, put in the work, right? And you will get the results that you want, right? Daniel here worked in Amazon. Well, I mean, he worked at Blue Origin, Amazon company, anyways.
Well,
right?
No,
but it is.
No, it's a different company. But Jeff Bezos is the man.
It's the same company, bro. Anyways, so you got the long-term goal. It's awesome. Let's go split this up into now short-term goals, okay? Now, our short-term goals, for example, could be to learn JavaScript fundamentals in a month. That's going to be maybe your part 1, okay? What I mean by fundamentals, it's the first part. So let's go ahead and take a look at those, right? So if I go ahead and look at this, write this stuff down, write your journey down, create a timeline for yourself, and make a plan, right? And when you make a plan, that is when you go ahead and actually get results. Now, when I say learn JavaScript, okay, here are the things you want to learn, okay? So let's think about this, okay? Part 1, you want to learn, for example, fundamentals of coding, right? So you want to get that, you want to get, go ahead and get your, let me see, your problem-solving mind, right? That's fundamentals of JavaScript, okay? JavaScript / ReactJS, okay? Actually, let's go JavaScript first, and then we'll do 2, for example. You know, it's going to be, for example, ReactJS, okay? Right? Then once you learn fundamentals, maybe you want to get into more, so, okay, let's go ahead and build more projects. So part 3 is going to be, for example, build projects, okay? Now, of course, during all this time, you're still building projects, guys, all right? The whole time, while you're doing fundamentals, while you are learning JavaScript, while you're learning ReactJS, you are doing fundamentals always and building projects always. And I mean always.
Forever and ever and ever.
Forever and ever and ever. Right? Part 3, maybe you go ahead and you get into more the backend side, right? So that might be, for example, Node.js. Who knows, right? That's something we actually teach in Profit of JavaScript. Amazing stuff right there. Cool. So Node.js. And then you build, once you learn Node.js, you build more your full stack project. So 5, build, go ahead and say build full stack project, right? That's going to be what you do. And then finally, 6, that's when you go ahead and you start interviewing. So start interviewing, right? So look at this. At this point, on step 6, you're already interviewing with companies. How sick is that? Okay?
That's huge.
That's pretty huge, guys. But of course, you know, you can't rush this stuff. Yes, these steps are simple. But I didn't say they were easy. They were not easy, okay? You have to put in the time. You have to put in the work. Okay, so when you're doing this kind of stuff, right, guys, fundamentals, that's going to take you some time, maybe a month, maybe or 2. ReactJS together with the fundamentals, again, going to take you maybe a month, right? In this course, in our course right now, you'll get the chance to learn some fundamentals, to even kickstart right away your ReactJS knowledge, okay? So right there, take this as an amazing opportunity for you to learn to kickstart your career. This is why we say that this challenge, this Riot Challenge, covers pretty much all this stuff, covers all this stuff and this stuff.
Like, so this challenge gets you to step 5 already, guys.
Step 5. Like step 5. Like what the heck?
In 5 days, you're going to get to step 5, guys.
Exactly.
How amazing is that?
It's pretty insane. I would say that. Cool. And of course, you have, and let's go ahead and talk about the opportunities for ReactJS developers. Pretty simple, guys.
So how big is this opportunity, right? If you become a ReactJS developer, what is in sight for you? What can you actually do? What can you actually achieve?
Good question.
I know. I ask good questions. That's why I'm here.
I know. So what do we tell them?
I think we should tell them about the opportunities that are out in the world, right? We actually went and took screenshots of specific opportunities as a full stack developer, as a ReactJS developer, front and back, and everything.
Look at this. So guys, 105K. Oh, let me kind of move this stuff.
Take that off.
100. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. 105K for a full stack developer salary. That's average, guys, per year, right? Average, right? That's insane. Now, of course, it depends on where you are at. If you're in California, this might be more, of course. If you're somewhere else, it might be less. This is the average, okay? Next up, for example, a front developer, 77K per year. Now, this is average numbers. You can be making a lot more if you're really good at what you do, right? If you're really passionate about this, okay? Passion always makes you earn more. Always. I don't give a I'm trying not to swear because I think YouTube brings us down when we swear.
Oh, does it?
I think so. But it does not freaking matter.
I need to have a little bleepy thing.
Bleep button. Beep. Yeah. So cool. And then also backend developer makes around 101K. Guys, so based on this, guys, in the comments, drop it below. Who's excited to become a front end, a back end, or a full stack developer? Let us know in the comments below. Let's go and take a look at this. And also, we are at 875 likes.
Wow. Let's get
Bro.
to 1,000. What's the goal? This one's 1,000.
Let's get to 900 right now. Guys,
All right,
900.
900 first, 900.
Click right now and then we'll move on. Right now, 900 likes.
Appreciate your sound.
You got this. Come on. 900 likes, guys. Come on.
Appreciate your sound.
878. Oh, there you go. 878. Come on. 880. Beautiful. 878. 880. Come on. Let's get to 900. Can we do get 900 right now?
Are we really gonna wait till we get to 900?
I'm waiting.
All right, we're waiting, guys. Get us to
89.
900, baby.
89. What else? we got?
Appreciate your sound.
94. There you go. 899. And come on. 900.
Appreciate your sound, need a renovation.
How much fun is this, bro?
Bro, this is too much. This is how much fun you should have when you're coding.
Oh my god. This is too good. So many people are pumped, right? Yeah, so for example, we have Ashley. Where was this? Guys, so many comments. I can't even keep up with everybody.
Oh my gosh. Thank you
Holy
guys so much
shit.
for the love.
919 likes. You guys are insane.
Thank you so much, guys.
Whew. The drop killed it, bro. Your dance is awesome. There we go. They're probably talking about Daniel right now. Let's go. More music, David says. Amazing.
Developers I've ever seen.
Are you wait, who said that? Where? The coolest developers they've ever seen. You know, Aisha. Good, amazing to see you, Aisha. So much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, guys. 924. Whoo! Can we get to 1K?
Oh, chill, Nas. We just got to 900, dude. All right, let's go a little bit. And then
Okay.
we'll go for
I know.
1K.
I'm just too excited. Sorry.
So,
All right.
What does it look
So
like to
let's
be a
calm
full
down a
stack
little bit. Hold on.
developer?
So let me just go. Don't worry. I got my water.
I'm gonna copy Nas. I'm also gonna get my
Make sure you get some water, guys. Really important for your voice.
Hydration. Good for the
Good for
mind.
the soul. Good for the soul.
Good for the soul.
So, as a full stack developer, guys, which is what you're going to learn in this challenge right now. Again, if you're not in a challenge, what are you doing? Link in the description below. But in this, right, you have to, right, front developer. You have to know how to become a backend developer, right? That includes, for example, on backend again, we'll explain what a backend is. Backend, if you don't know exactly what a backend is, like, imagine you log into Facebook, right? You log into Facebook, right? You put in your password. On the backend side is where it checks your password and actually goes ahead. Sorry, and they actually goes ahead and validates that you're a real person, right? That's the backend. The front end is what you see on the front end. It's a very simple structure, right? Database is all your data. For example, let's say Facebook, right? Data about you as a person, it is saved where? It's saved in database. So Facebook has its own database. DevOps, this is the stuff where, like, for example, the server, right? So this stuff is where, for example, how do you think you can access Facebook, right? That's because Facebook is on a server. This is called DevOps, right? Now, you don't have to learn this specifically to become a full stack developer. This is helpful right here, and it's very nice. And then finally, you can actually be able to build a mobile app. So with ReactJS, which is what you're learning right now, ReactJS allows you not only to build front-end applications, but it also allows you to build, guys, mobile apps. How fucking cool is that?
That is absolutely amazing.
It's insane.
Man.
It's so cool.
It's crazy.
I'm so
like
excited for that.
One library, one framework can allow you to do all these different things.
So much.
So what does the front end look like? We should dive into those specific details
So
because
front
there's
end,
things that
right?
you have to learn, right?
So that's HTML, right? That's CSS. And again, I know these icons look weird, but HTML, CSS, right? Then JavaScript right here, okay? Then, for example, we have ReactJS right here, okay? This ReactJS, guys, in this specific portion, you're learning hold on, you're learning todo, el todo. I don't know how to say that.
There's one more. Put the next button so you
I
can
know.
also...
I
just wanted to make sure.
Trust me. But that's not it, guys.
That's not it.
You also get to learn this too. So you get to learn all aspects of front end, right? And even back end, because this right here is not just front end. This right here is also back end.
What's this called?
It's called Firebase. It's called, let me go type this up, guys. If you're not sure what that is, guys, I'll just give you a chance to go ahead and look it up by yourself. This is called Firebase, okay? Pretty cool tool. You'll get a chance to learn That's going to be our database for us.
So again, this is beginner friendly. So if you don't know what any of these things are, we'll break it down real quick. So HTML is the structure of a web page, very much like this skeleton of this little Deadpool Lego, right?
Yeah, so kind of like you know how Daniel looks like right now. You see his face right now. This is him right now, right? This is HTML, right? This is how he looks, right? He's got the beard and everything, right? That's HTML, okay?
The beard is CSS.
So I guess you can say the beard is CSS. I guess.
Yes. So CSS is how you make a website look beautiful and pretty and aesthetic, right? So to the structure, we added this awesome red color. We added the gun. We added the sword. We added Deadpool. And finally, JavaScript is what makes a website fluid. Is what makes
it function.
It makes it function. Just like how Deadpool is dancing like me.
Let's go. So like you see how Daniel is dancing or me, I'm dancing, right? So that's JavaScript, right? They're making us everything function, right? Exactly. So everything, for example, you see on Facebook, and when you log into Facebook, that's JavaScript, right? Being able to hit the login button and that transfers you over to another page, that, my friends, is JavaScript. It's a very simple structure, okay? And you get to learn all of those in this challenge. So if you're not in it, what are you doing? I don't even know. I can't question you anymore. So HTML, learn the basics. Make a page, make it work. Don't ever complicate it, right? HTML is the view. Is the view. I know, sorry. Is the view. It is what you see. Don't worry, guys. I got water. So HTML is what you see, right? HTML. CSS, it is the really, really pretty stuff, right? Learn how to use different layouts like Flexbox, responsive design, media queries. Media queries, for example, is when you switch off, for example, from a bigger screen, right? A bigger screen to a smaller screen, right? Or to mobile screen. How does your site change as you do that? That's the big question, right? How does your site change? Well, it's pretty simple. Again, it's using something called media queries, okay? All right, let's keep going. Next up, and finally, JavaScript, master the fundamentals, guys. Data types, something you need to learn 100%. You need to learn things like, for example, let me take a look at this. Things like, stacks. Things like, stacks. And again, do not overcomplicate yourself. Don't worry. You don't need to learn this just right now. Not the most important thing, but you will get to learn this later on as you get going into your career as a ReactJS developer, right? Stacks, queues, linked lists, so much more. You have to learn things like functions. Like, what's a function, right? Like, what is a function, actually? I'm curious.
A function is a piece of code that allows your software to actually perform something. So very similar to how we saw Deadpool dancing and he was given function, he was given life. The function allows you to actually execute something and do something, move something.
Correct. So that's what function does. It's kind of like its own little thing in terms of execution. Just how a car has, wheels, right, which function to drive the car. Your gas pedal is, to have you go fast, right? Mm-hmm. They have their own different functions. We have the same thing in coding. DOM manipulation, that's basically being able to manipulate what you see in the front end, right? So like when you have cool animations, or even here, for example, here as I'm drawing, right? This is called DOM manipulation, right? Yep. I'm manipulating the view. It's as simple as that. Scope, this scope is kind of like, I won't get too technical with it, but scope is basically just where you can do what you can do. So It's like,
because you can't do everything with everything.
Exactly. I know.
To keep it confusing. To keep it simple.
I know.
You can't do everything with everything.
And the Fetch API is you being able to communicate with different resources online.
Yes.
So Facebook, for example, communicates with different resources. It communicates with their server. It communicates with all the different applications to be able to log you in and stuff like that. Okay? Comprende? Good.
So you might be asking, why JavaScript?
Well, pretty simple. I mean, if you take a look at this, here are some tab companies that use, LinkedIn, right? Facebook, Microsoft, eBay, Tesla, Groupon, Netflix, Google, Uber, Tinder, Airbnb, PayPal. Guys, it goes on and on. Anything on the web uses JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and ReactJS is like kind of the how do I say this? The topping on the top. No, the what's it called?
The cherry on top?
The cherry on top.
I don't know. What are you trying to say, bro?
I'm just trying to make you fancy, man.
Yes, cherry on top, ReactJS.
That's the cherry on top that makes everything work very nicely and makes it easier for us to work, okay? Mm-hmm. So that's the whole goal. Now, guys, let us know in the comments below who wants to work for any of these companies down below, guys. Woo-hoo. Comment down below if you want to work for any of these companies. Yeah. Come on.
And the crazy thing is if you master front end, you can work for any of these companies because they all have those type of developer positions. You can put yourself in a place where, for those of you that said you want to do full time, you can work for these companies,
Yes. See, we have Google. Somebody said Google is insane. Okay, awesome. Somebody said I see Microsoft. Let's say Microsoft. I do. There we go. Tesla. Ooh, let's go Tesla. Let's go Tesla.
Nas is specifically excited about that one.
Yeah, I'm very excited about that one. Tesla would be great. Yes, I actually myself just got a Tesla recently, so that's why we're excited about that. So let's go ahead. Tesla, Google, amazing. I do. Tesla. See, Tesla's big. Look at this, bro.
Dude.
I made the right choice.
Yeah, man. I mean, Tesla's crushing, man.
Awesome. We can just keep going at this point. Guys, we are at 973 likes. Hold on. Before we move on, 973 likes. Hold on. What?
Which one's the horn, bro?
I'm not sure.
Beep, 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 beep. All right, bro.
We don't have
It's
that.
got to be the last one, bro.
So, guys, 973 likes. Let's get us to 1,000 likes. Can we do that right now? 978 likes. Let's go. And we will kind of celebrate together with you. And we'll move on really quickly right now. Come on. 978 likes. Let's get to 1K. Let's go. Let's go. 978. 980, bro. 980. Come on.
This is growing quick. 1K. 1K, baby.
91. Let's go. 91, guys. Can you get us to 1,000? Let's go again. Let's just make this the best channel for coding out there. Period.
I mean, it already is.
It already is.
But help us make it even better, guys.
Exactly. So let's go. 1K likes. 991. 995. 995. Are you ready for this, bro? We're 1,000 likes.
Appreciate your sound, need a renovation.
Guys, I need you to know, I only have one dance move, and it's the same one all the time. So it might start to get old by day 5.
All right, so cool. Move on.
Let's get serious.
So,
Miles. Let's
okay,
get
that's
serious.
it. 1K, we already crossed. Okay, now let's get to 2K. Okay. So resources for front end, free code camp part 1, front end mentor, amazing stuff right there. Right, this is the stuff you can learn, for example, from free code camp. Right. YouTube, of course. So as you guys know, we have YouTube on Clever Programmer, right? So for example, here we have amazing courses here completely for free for you. HTML course, 1 hour course, CSS course, okay, 3 hour course, amazing stuff through here. Go ahead and check them out. It's okay, it's fine. Okay. So right, check them out. Next up, we have a JavaScript course completely free for you. 8-hour JavaScript course right here. Just type in Clever Programmer JavaScript. It's gonna be the first one to pop up. It's just so damn good. It's just so good. So yeah, there you go. You know, it'll pop up the first one. So make sure you check that one out too. All right. So what can you do with JavaScript? Good question. Is that right? Is that a good question?
That's an amazing question, guys.
That's an amazing question.
Because you're about to learn JavaScript. You're about to learn ReactJS. So you're probably curious, what can you do with it?
Well, what can you do? You tell me.
Well, you could definitely do some web apps because that just showed up on the slide.
So what's a web app?
A web app is a web application. So we talked about full stack development where you have a nice UI, you have a database in the back, and it's actually able to do something functional, right?
Yes. Next.
Oh, you could do a native application. So native application would be a specific application for mobile phones like an iOS phone, an Android phone. Are Microsoft phones still a thing? I don't know.
No, it's not. Sorry.
Not Microsoft phone then.
Yeah, no. So here, for example, guys, actually native apps, Tesla app is actually built with React Native, just so you know. Yep, Tesla app is fully built with React Native. Tesla is actually built with ReactJS Native. So you're learning here in ReactJS not only for front end, not only to build web apps, right? But you're also learning to build crazy like apps like Tesla app. Like that's insane, right? I use that app.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good app.
Man, if only Tesla cars were built with React.js, that'd be epic.
Okay, that's interesting. And the server apps, of course, Node.js right here. So server apps are backend applications, and that also use JavaScript. Okay, cool. Next up. So how to make money as a JavaScript developer? That's a good question, okay? Well, think about this, guys. How to make money. How do you want to make money as a JavaScript developer? Again, pretty simple stuff here.
Simple but not easy, right?
Nah, simple but not easy, of course. So I love this, guys. Give a shout out to Friends Show. I love them so much. I'm the teacher. So one ways in which you can do it, guys, is actually through teaching and coaching. So the really cool part about this is what's the cool part about this, Daniel?
Well, what's cool is you don't need to be super masterful to be able to teach and coach. You just need to be 2 to 3 steps ahead of the person you're coaching and teaching, because you already learned those things and you can offer value to them in that situation.
You don't need to be a pro, right? You don't need to be a pro.
You don't need 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience. You literally just need a couple months. No, or even then, just like you just need to know the next 2 steps. That's
exactly. The thing is, and we'll talk a little about that later on in a second here. But that's the cool part about coding, is that you can teach anybody. So, for example, if you're like level 1, level 2, right? You can, if you let's say level 2, which is just a little bit, right? You can teach level 1. If you're level 3, you can teach level 2, level 1, right? And there's so many websites on which you can teach, and we have so many students that actually do that. And they make an extra $500, and we'll get into what you can make in a second here. But they make $1,000 extra, right? Rishi, he makes an extra 1,000K. I think at some point he made 2K, extra just from teaching and coaching, right? It's insane. Amazing. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Cool. So let's go ahead. That's pretty cool, teaching, coaching. And again, make sure you guys are taking pictures, make sure you're taking screenshots.
And important stuff. By the way, I want to add, a cool thing about coaching and teaching is you kind of relearn what you already learned. You get to reinforce those things, because now when you're trying to coach it, you have to learn it at a more deeper and technical level. So it just enforces everything you've done.
Yes, of course. Let's talk about what your stream of income in the first 3 months while learning JavaScript coding looks like. Okay, so now again, this stuff only applies if you are working hard, guys. Very important. Work hard, right? Do your best, I say, and forget the rest, okay? Work hard, because nothing pays off like hard work, all right? Cool. Next up, by teaching JavaScript to students who are the one level behind you learning. That's how the first step we're going to make, right? And then let's go ahead and take a look at this. So how? Here's the question, how, okay? Generally, one student will pay you, let's say, $50, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll calculate this one out. $50 per hour, okay? And work with you 2 hours in one session, okay? So let's think about it. So in one session, you make how much? One session, you make what? $100, okay? $100, okay? So that's like, for example, you have just learned. So let's say you've just learned, for example, some basic JavaScript, right? And you want to teach, some basic JavaScript. Heck, you built a Slack clone, and you went to this ReactJS challenge, and now you have some good experience, right? Well, let's think about this. You have one student that pays you 2 hours per one session. Let's say the one session you have one per week, okay? Like one session per week, okay? So $100, that's $100 per week. For 1 month, that's how much?
4 sessions per month-ish?
Yeah, so that's how much money is that?
Oh, 400.
So that's $400 per month, correct? So $400 per month, right? Right? How much is that per year?
That will be 400 times 12, which is 4,800.
So 4,800 per year, guys. That's extra money of just you putting 2 hours in, right? 2 hours in to coaching someone, something that you've learned not too long ago, right? Not too long ago. And you know some basic stuff. But the cool part about this is not only are you making, right? Not only are you making 4,000, look at this. Not only making 4,800 per year, but also you're also learning more. Because there's a saying, you learn more when you teach, right? What is the saying called?
You learn more when you teach.
Learn more. Thank you. When you teach, right? Right? So this is the big part about teaching, and we emphasize this so much. Yes. Right? So that's only one student, guys. From one student, you can be making $4,800. Who, down in the comments below, who wants to be able to make an extra $4,800 or $5,000, extra per year, just like that from one session? Drop that in the comments below.
And this is what we call the upward spiral of success, because as you're coaching more students, you're learning more, but you're also getting paid more. So you want to do that activity. You're having more fun. So you coach more students, and then you get paid more, and you have more fun. And then it's just happiness all the way up to the top, right?
Yes.
And this is a way that you could definitely achieve that.
Yes, of course, 100%. And let's say, okay, so you have one student, but let's say you have 2 students, okay? Let's say you have two students. So how much is that per year now?
We would double that to
9,600. So that's 9,600. So 2 students, right? That's already, let me write this down. 2 students, that's already, guys, 9,600 right there. Like, seriously, right? That's 10K. 10K per year. For some people, that is full minimum wage, right? For some people who are working per year, right? And they're working 40 hours per week, 40 hours per week, right? Yep. But here you have 2 students and you're coaching them. And not only are you coaching, you're learning and you're doing something positive for yourself, right? So that's why we emphasize this so much. But it doesn't stop there, guys. It does not stop there. Because let's say now you get better at it. Now you increase your price from $50 per hour, right? 50 per hour, to now how much? Let's say 60 or 75 per hour.
Yeah.
You know?
You could actually do that.
100%. I charge $250 per hour.
Yo, let's go.
You know, you can get that, right? You can get to that point, right? So slowly increase your pricing, right? And guys, and I'm just saying this stuff not to just be all fancy. I'm saying this is a real world, right? Right? People will pay that kind of money, right? If you find them, right? They are people.
But you also have to develop that skill to get to where Nas is of like $250 an hour, right? You just can't come off the bat. Like, hey, I'm gonna teach you functions and objects. For $250 an hour.
No, that's just not gonna work, right? So you have to get to that, right? But this is why I say take this stuff what you're learning right now so importantly. Okay, guys. All right, let's go ahead and move on. So. Really quickly, move on. Blah, 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 blah. So that's $100 per session, like I said. So to make your monthly more income from one student, that's $400 per month. We said that. Okay, cool.
So how can you get an actual coaching client, right? What can you start to do?
So how do you do that? Okay. Again, write this stuff down, guys. Very, 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 very muy importante. Muy importante. Okay. Well, let's go. Can you make that
again?
Thank you. There we go. It always I don't know why that happens all the time, but. So let's go ahead and let's say that you DM 100 people on Facebook, right? Now you might be asking, okay, how do you DM 100 people? Well, you might DM 100 people through a few tools, okay? So for example, let's think about this. I'm gonna put freeze made on. So that might be through Facebook. So maybe your Facebook group, right? You go to a Facebook group, you find a JavaScript Facebook group or ReactJS Facebook group, a coding Facebook group, okay? Boom, right there. That right there, right away, gives you opportunity to DM people. Now, don't spam because they'll throw you out, but make sure that you're just simply giving value, okay? Maybe you go through Craigslist, right? So you say, hey, I will go ahead and provide free lessons or maybe lessons to you for $25 an hour or $50 an hour right now, right? And maybe you can start out with some free lessons just to get your foot in the door, right? Craigslist, right? What other tools can I use?
To be able to find people, I mean, just even then, other social medias like Facebook, if you have your personal one, right, you could go into Instagram, LinkedIn, right? I mean, wherever it is that people are that want to learn how to code, you just have to think about where can I find these people.
Yeah.
Right?
Now, again, this stuff is really simple, guys. How do you do this? How do you get to this stuff, right? How do you get people to trust you? Because the biggest reason why people get nowhere is because of trust, okay? Because of trust, they don't trust you. So this is why we say it's so important. Share what you do on social media. If people see that you are sharing coding, you're sharing ReactJS, right? They trust you. If they see you partying, they're not gonna trust you. I'm sorry. That's not somebody that they're going to trust. I'm not gonna trust somebody who parties in pictures all the time and says, oh yeah, they are going to teach me. Hell no.
No, I want someone who has pictures of coding and their journey on how they're learning to code. That is someone who I'm going to be building a relationship with. Like, wow, I want to learn from them.
Exactly. Okay, respond. Let's say 20 people respond to you. Okay, 5 people you get on a call or show they are interested. You close one. When you say close, meaning you sign up one person. That's $320 per month from one paying student. Boom, right? But you have to be able to put in the work. This stuff right here, guys, right? This stuff is not easy. This stuff makes you make sure you put in the work, right? You have to DM 100 people. They won't come magically to you. I'm sorry, that's just not gonna happen, right? So they have to do it. Okay, cool. Next up.
Like we said, this is simple but not easy. You have to put in that hard work.
So if you want to make $3,000 per month or $36,000 per year, you'll have to do 10x more work, right? You'll have to do 10x more clients, right? So where can I find these JavaScript students to coach? Well, pretty simple.
You're gonna want to take a screenshot, by the way, of this. But go ahead, Naz.
So Facebook group, part 1. Instagram, part 2. Wisent, really important for those of you who are in US. Wisent is a great way to get started. We have so many people. Even we have Lem, one of the coaches. Lem is actually. Did we have Lem on the thing? I don't think we did.
Maybe not.
So Lem is actually another. He actually is someone who's new who joined our team as well. He does Wisent as well, and he's been doing Wisent for a long time. Has been for a big part of time was his primary work, guys. Right? And he's been killing it on Wisent. Right, take lessons, right? People per hour. I mean, Craigslist, Upwork, Fiverr. Fiverr is a big one. For those of you, let me go ahead and I know. For those of you who are in other countries, maybe you're not in US, that's fine. There's still a lot of opportunities. Fiverr is a good one. LinkedIn is a good one, right? Craigslist is a good one. People per hour is a good one. Instagram, all these other ones are still applicable to you. Just the Wizen and Take Lessons might not be applicable to you, right? So that's pretty much it. But these are applicable, guys. These are applicable. Cool. And more, of course. So working from home, that's the really cool part that you get to do when you work from home, guys.
Exactly. So that was being a coach, being a mentor to someone. So what is another way, Nas, that people can start to make money online as a developer?
Well, pretty simple, guys. You can also do freelancing. So let's say you did coaching, correct? You did coaching. That was your first part. Now you feel like you've gone to a certain level. You know your stuff, okay? Maybe now you want to find clients and do some coaching. Freelancing.
Freelancing.
Yeah.
Like you pick up a project, right?
Yeah. So what you do is you go to Upwork, for example, or freelancer.com. Let me go ahead and put those names down on here. So let me go blah, blah, blah. Put this name down. So for example, you go to freelancer, right? Or let's say you go to Upwork, for example, Upwork.
What are you typing?
I know, it's so small. Upwork, for example, right? You go to those sites and they give you opportunity to find clients. Oh, heck, maybe you find a friend who needs a work, right?
Yep.
A friend, right? That's actually the best way to get your first freelancing client is actually through people you know.
Yes, because word of mouth and referrals are very, very powerful.
Very. If you can, for example, call up your mom, dad, pops, grandpa, grandma, and they know somebody or your friends, right? And they know somebody who might need some work done. Maybe it's a website. Do it, right? Because getting that first gig is the hardest thing for freelancers, okay? And so I highly recommend you. And getting trust to do that first job is the hardest part as well.
Yeah, because once you have that trust, you build more projects, you add to your portfolio. Now people can look back at those projects and be like, wow, like Nas has done all these amazing projects. They're going to be a perfect fit for the website that I need to be built.
Exactly. And once you have your first client, guys, that's it. You can now have your second client and your third client, and then you can increase your per hour price, and you just keep going.
Snowballs.
My friend Blake O'Connelly, I know you guys can check him out on Instagram by the name Easy, EAZY. He's a great guy. This guy started as a freelancer, did not go to college at all. He was doing freelancing actually during high school. He didn't even finish a high school degree, guys.
Wow, that's crazy.
He was actually on Profit JavaScript coaching call. We had him as a guest, right? And this guy, he built a multi-million-dollar freelancing business. He now owns an Audi R8. He has owned so many different cars like GTR. And this guy is killing it in freelancing business. He has now a team of 10 to 15 people. It's insane. But he started out with small projects, simple projects, right? With just teaching himself. But most importantly, what he had is actually, guys, what a lot of people don't have, is he had the drive.
That's huge.
He had the drive to do it. He's like, I wanted to do it. And a big part of the drive actually was his family, was his mom. So he wanted to be able to support her. That was a big drive for his. So guys, yeah, amazing guy again. Yeah. But that's just one example.
Yeah, and just to quickly touch on that. That goes back to what I mentioned before about the why. Oh, we have a guest person.
Look at who we have here.
Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? So amazing to see you. By the way, I just want to say, guys, really quickly, I'm loving your guys' energy in the challenge. Thank you so much for being on here. I wasn't on here because my mom just had open heart surgery, so I was in Chicago. I'm back here. These guys are crushing it, guys. Please show them love and support and drop some amazing energy in the comments. They're working their ass off. This room is extremely hot and the lights are making them sweaty. So show some love. I love you guys and thank you guys for crushing.
Hey, let's get on fire for Kazi, bro. Everybody in the comments, let's go.
And guys, please send prayers for my mom. She's going through recovery.
Yes.
But your prayers will definitely help.
Yes.
I love you guys.
I appreciate you. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
And look. Looking
Oh,
clean.
where's the beard?
Oh, clean as heck, man. Love you, bro. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on. Thank you. Awesome, cool.
So, guys, that is 2 ways that you can start to make money. What is the third one? Well, as you can see, this guy dropping all the
permanent
cash.
job, guys. That's your third part. And you can be doing all those 3 guys at the same time, right? Freelancing, permanent job, right? And we talked about the benefits to permanent job, to freelancing, to full-time, right? all those three aspects are opportunities for you to become developers. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and move on. So as we've said, okay,
we love this.
part one. This is your pyramid of success, of wealth. This is how we get the wealth. Okay. Okay.
What's number one?
All right. So part one is you learn. Of course, at first you have to develop some skills, okay? You have to go ahead, develop some skills right here, okay? Learn JavaScript, learn ReactJS, okay? This is why you are here. You're in the learning phase right now. Maybe you're somewhere else, maybe you're learning ReactJS, but maybe you already know JavaScript, who knows? But if you're a complete beginner, you're currently here, right here. That's your step, okay? After that step, maybe you do coaching, right? So the coaching, again, that requires a skill level of only a beginner. Okay, only beginner, and you teach coding to other people, right? So again, time to build stream of income, 1 to 3 months. So in 1 month, you could be looking at potentially coaching other people. Granted, we've had students who joined this challenge and were teaching other people within a week of this challenge.
5 days, guys.
I'm not kidding. 5 days, right? So there's a lot of opportunities here, and that's an income of 3,000K per month, right? 3,000 per month. Next up, we have freelancing, right? Work for clients independently, and that requires intermediate skills. So at this point, you have to know some coding, right? You have to be able to build some projects, right? And that's a stream income you might be up within 4 to 12 months. That's about 5K per month, okay? Awesome. Now, next up, let's go ahead. After you do freelancing, you might be looking at a full-time job. That's the advanced level right there. But it's advanced with a grain of salt. Why?
To be able to get to that point, you definitely just need to develop a lot of skills when you're going there, right? And I mean, in terms of the time, we do have the 12 to 24 months, but it's just going to depend a lot on your specific journey and what you do. I mean, if you happen to go into something like full stack mastery bootcamp, that might be a little bit faster. It might not take 12 to 24 months.
Or profit with JavaScript.
Or profit with JavaScript as well, right? It's going to speed up because you're investing into mentors that are going to help you to speed up that process, to speed up that journey.
Exactly. So all the different parts of your job, let's switch back to here, guys, are really important, right? And all this income, let's say you do all this right here. You maybe, let's say you do coaching. Now, for example, Rishi who was our student initially, and now is just killing it with students and has a job and everything. He was doing freelancing, right? Let's say you do all this stuff. So you do income of 3K per month, then 5K per month. Let's say you do freelancing. And then also you have a full-time job. You're looking at around 15K per month as a full developer. Now, I won't lie to you, right? This stuff takes a lot of work and a lot of patience, okay? You can't get to this within a day or 2 days, right? It's gonna take a lot of work. So that's really important. And you might not be able to do everything all at once. That's just simple as that. Maybe you just simply do coaching. Maybe you just do freelancing. Maybe you find out that yourself that it's really hard for you to do all these three, so you just stick to one, which is just simply job. The cool part about it is when you stick to one, guys, is you have the opportunity to really grow this income, 7K per month. That's just starting.
You can scale that.
8K, 10K, right? 15K per month.
You can focus on that.
Yes,
right?
just on the full-time job. And I actually recommend a lot of people to do that kind of focus. Focus on one thing at a time. And sometimes, of course, you have to spread yourself a little bit thin. Like we ourselves here, me, Daniel, we spread ourselves thin here at this point, right? Between coaching others to doing live streams to doing, so many different things in the company. We love it, but we've given ourselves time to learn this stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We then just kind of like, hey, guys, blah, 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 just do everything. No, we give ourselves time to learn it, okay? Cool. All right, next up. So, guys, we are currently at 1,077 likes. Can we get to 1,100 likes, bro?
Whoa, what is that? 23?
1,100 likes, guys? Come on. 1,100 likes, guys. I know you guys can help us out. 1,077 right now. 1,100 likes, and we'll turn the music up. Guys, come on. 1,100 likes. We are currently at 1,082.
Smash that
Cool.
like button, guys. We just showed you how to make $15,000 a month using this pyramid of success.
87.
Give us some likes for that, baby.
1,087. What else? What else we got? Hold on, come on. 90. 1,090. Can we get to what? 1,100. I'm looking at right now. 1,090. 1,091. 94. Come on. You guys got this. Come on.
So
just
close.
smash the like button. That's all you gotta do,
Smash
guys.
it. Smash it.
Not that hard, guys.
Smash it.
94. Come on. Let's get to 1,100. Can we get to that? And then I'll move on. I promise. I promise we'll move on. How much do we have on those slides? Not too much. Okay. Cool. Awesome, guys. So let's go ahead. 1,100 likes. Oh! Woo!
Oh, it just finished.
I know. 1,100 likes. Come on, let's go. Woo! Woo!
Appreciate your sound.
Oh, you guys are the best as
Appreciate
always.
your sound.
You guys are always amazing, and we always appreciate you.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate your sound.
Thank you.
Whew, that's a lot of energy, man. Let's go. Okay. So
Take a
screenshot this, guys, right now because oh shit, I don't know what I just did here. Screenshot this right now because we'll move on here in 1 second. Blah, blah, blah. Let me go put this back for you guys so you guys can see. Screenshot this right now and we'll move on right now. Let's go. We'll take you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and no, bye-bye. Okay, cool. So math breakdown for making 3K per month with coaching, JavaScript, or simplified again. So get 5% of the people that you reach out to will become your clients. So let's say you reach out to 100 people. That's how many people? 5 people, right? So you reach out to 100 people. 100 people will become your clients. It's a 5% close rate, we'll say, for example, right? That's what we say. So hold on, 2 right there. So 5 people, your clients, right? But you have to reach out to them, of course. You have to reach out to 100 clients. Don't just appear out of nowhere. That's really important, guys, to consider. Okay, next up, if you reach out to 100 people, you will get 5 paying students. Let's say each student will pay you 50 per hour. That is how much? 50 per hour. So 5 students times 50?
250.
250. And let's say you have 5 students, let's say in 1 week. That's 250 in 1 week.
Yes.
That's pretty damn good, guys.
That's good.
And then you multiply that by 4. That's how much? How much is that?
You're throwing a lot of math at me. I'm not even thinking, bro. Give me.
Come on, do it before. Do it. That's $1,000. That's $1,000.
All right. Well, let's.
$1,000. This guy worked in Amazon. He can't do math.
Blue Origin. Quick math, guys. Let's go.
$1,000. Oh my God, $1,000 right there, guys. That's insane. Cool. Awesome. So let's go ahead. So JavaScript. Why JavaScript, guys? As you guys know, this point, it's a pretty insane tool, guys. There's so many opportunities, right, in terms of jobs. As you can see right here, if we go ahead and search up front-end developer right there, that's 10,000 jobs right there. And actually, if we search up, if we go, let me exit this. If I go here, for example, I say Indeed. Let's go to here. Actually, I'm going to go to Indeed.com here. And let's just say I search up JavaScript. Let's say JavaScript.
Yeah, guys. I mean, these are the current opportunities that are out there right now.
So look at this, guys. Just check this out, okay? Let me go ahead and zoom in on this, okay? So I'm going to Command plus. Right? Look at this, guys. 59,000, pretty much almost 60,000 jobs for JavaScript developers. The demand is there. You just have to go ahead, simply just put in the time, and that's pretty much it, okay? Demand is there, right? Just put in the time, put in the hard work, and you will get there. Let's go, for example, let's go and take a look at ReactJS. Let's just think about this. React or ReactJS? ReactJS, for example. ReactJS, 2,000, hold on. 2,850, or we say, for example, React, for example. 64,000 right there, see?
More than JavaScript.
Yeah, right there. So React, 64,000 jobs just like that. Like,
crazy.
holy shit, man. That's
crazy.
around the world right now.
The opportunity is there for you to just grab it and seize the moment.
Yes, guys. So many opportunities.
Holy shit, look at that salary.
Holy fuck. Actually, let's think about this. So let me see.
Yo, apply.
Senior developer, 150K to 200K per year. Let's think about this. What are they looking for? Qualifications? 1 year preferred? The hell? Are you serious? This is senior developer?
No way, bro.
No way, indeed.
I'm about to submit my application. Send me that link, bro.
So look at this, guys, right? So looking, for example, React, AWS. Remember how we talked about the DevOps front full stack right there? See?
There's
DevOps, backend, full stack, Node, React. So in this case, right, so Node, for example, is a backend framework. React is a front-end framework. You will, in this case, you will get to learn React and a little bit part of Node, kind of how it works, right? You won't necessarily use Node, but you will use Firebase instead of that, kind of to build your backend, okay? So a lot. Look at this, 150K to 200K per year. Holy shit. 401k matching, dental insurance,
benefits, man.
Oh my God, flexible life insurance, pay time off, tuition reimbursement. Holy shit. Who wants to work for this company? Down below. Drop in the comments below, guys.
Yo, send them the link, bro. Send them the link.
All right. So you can see opportunities are there. You just have to take them, okay? Awesome. So cool. So as we're nearing kind of the end, guys, again, these are just some examples, all right? So job opportunities and salaries, you can see.
I mean, it just doesn't end, right? Like the opportunities are literally limitless in the world of JavaScript, in the world of full stack development, front end development. All of that.
So less than 1 year for here, 1 to 4 years, 5 to 9 years. Again, and these are average salaries right here: 100K, 92K, 82K, 75K, 107K. All those are salaries right there. So look at this. But again, like you said, at the time where we screenshotted that, when JavaScript had 45K jobs, now it had what? 60K, right? 60K. So it increases. It's going up like crazy. For Upwork, for example, if you type in JavaScript, Upwork is a freelancing job. You're looking at around 8,000 jobs, opportunities, freelancing opportunities.
Wow.
What the fuck?
Like,
oh, shit. So, okay, next. For example, these are the countries which shown the most interest and demand for JavaScript programming. USA, 5,750 per month. Canada, UK, and Germany. And again, because of COVID, because just in general, all these jobs can now be remote. So no matter where you are, guys, right? No matter where you are, you will have the chance to actually go ahead. You have the chance to work for these companies, even if you're Nigeria, India, right? Even if you're in different countries like, who knows, Australia. I mean, I don't know. Where else might it be? Spain.
Any other country that's not...
Any other country that's not that country.
That's the cool thing about remote, right? It's remote. You could be
exactly.
From wherever.
Cool. Awesome. So let's go ahead and move on. So here are some comments here. 100 developer jobs. Companies hiring amid the coronavirus crisis. So this is also corona proof, right? Mm-hmm. Because, we don't need people in the office. At the end of the day, coding is remote. So not necessarily needed. So COVID does not really affect us that much personally. A lot of developers not affected by that.
And like, guys, these next slides are just showing you guys the abundance of opportunity. Look, like Lego is looking for JavaScript devs. If we go to the next one, you're going to see that. Then Azure is also looking for. So it's like so many different places are looking for JavaScript developers. Just the opportunity is there. You just have to put your hand out there, work hard, grab it, seize it, and move on. I don't know.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Grab the opportunity.
And just take it. Take it.
It's yours. It's yours if you work for it. And throw it.
And throw it.
It's yours if you work for it. That's all I'm gonna say.
Exactly. And I know there's a lot of stuff you hear from yourself, a lot of stuff you hear just in general, right? But the more stuff you hear like this, right, the more this gets put into your head, and the more you understand that, holy shit, maybe I do actually need to take some action, right? Cool. Next up, Azure's looking for entry-level jobs right there, right? So look at this. We're looking to hire for a number of different roles on the Azure Functions team, from management to industry professionals to entry level across dev and project management. Look at it. It's insane. Okay, Disney's looking for JavaScript developers. For example, John. Who's John? Is this a Disney guy? We're hiring a Disney streaming. In particular, I'm trying to hire 2 devs for my team, full stack JS front end. We use Angular plus Java backend. Angular, by the way, guys, is another framework, kind of like ReactJS, right? Cool. What in God's name do you have there?
Well, let's talk about some frameworks.
Hey, cool. So the most popular framework right now are Java.
For JavaScript, what are the most popular frameworks?
Angular right now. Okay, that's Google. Vue.js, guys. Okay. And also ReactJS. Let's go. That currently is our choice. Again, you can choose others, Vue.js, Angular, but I highly recommend you start with one. Start with one and kind of keep going with that. Okay, no need to learn all of them. Maybe at some point, as you get older, as you learn more, you will get the chance to learn more of those. But for now, just start out with ReactJS, and then, because since you are in this course right now, and you will go ahead and learn that. So holy shit, that's a really sick background, by the way.
It is, right?
I know.
Explosion.
That's amazing.
So what companies are using what frameworks?
Well, for example, okay, let's think about this, okay? Airbnb, ReactJS, Instagram, Uber Eats, Dropbox, Vue.js, Alibaba, Grammarly, look at this, GitLab.
All the cool ones are React.js is what I'm seeing.
Right? So this is React.js right here, right? Airbnb, Instagram, Uber Eats, Dropbox. I don't have it on here, but Tesla, for example, uses React.js. Netflix uses React.js. I don't know if you know that as well. They use Node.js for the backend. So many more companies. LJS, PayPal, Upwork, Sony, and I think Google used it Angular as well too. So again, they're all different options, all many options, but again, not the most important. Just pick one and stick with one, whichever one. So what should I choose? That's a good question.
That's a great question.
As you see, this right here is something called a Stack Overflow survey. What is that?
A Stack Overflow survey. Well, one of Stack Overflow is like one of the biggest websites for devs. And the surveys when they ask people questions. So they went to the big website of developers and asked them, what front end framework are you using? Should you use? Do you want? And look at this amazing response, guys.
Yes, so ReactJS is the most wanted. Next, then we have Vue.js, then we have Angular, okay? And then AngularJS. Now, I actually started with AngularJS when I started a long time ago. Yeah, a long time ago, I started with AngularJS. ReactJS at that point when I started was not popular, not very popular. That was like 7 years ago or something. So I didn't have the chance to work with React. But now, because the community and because the support, it's just grown to an immense.
It's huge. And that's why we're making this challenge. So everyone right now just point at .NET all the way in the bottom and laugh. Ha 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 ha. And then just laugh because we're learning ReactJS, which is one of the most popular ones, one of the best libraries out there.
I mean, that is still not bad, bro.
But it's at the end. So But they lost. But they lost.
All right, everybody, haha in the comments. For those of you who are asking, what is the difference between ReactJS and Angular? It's pretty much just syntax. It's ReactJS and Angular is pretty much syntax. ReactJS is a library, so it's actually a lot faster, and it's more low level, I would say. While Angular is a framework, so it's more high level, and it's a little bit slower. So there's more things you need to do on the Angular side, you know, when you're building Angular applications. Okay, so that's kind of difference between that and so forth. So cool. Downloads per year. Look at this, guys. Wow. React. Just increasing. It's just going. Shoop. Okay.
That wasn't planned.
That was not planned at all, guys.
We're just that in sync.
Yeah. So Angular right here, as you can see, Angular right here, right? It's kind of like it's pretty good, right? It went up, but it's kind of very still right now. And of course, we have things like Vue, which was right here, which is going pretty fast as well. So in this stuff, right? Let's see what do we have.
Well, there's a clear winner, is there not?
I think there's a clear winner, guys. What do you think is the winner? Drop in the comments below.
Who do you think wins? You want to see who you guys think is going to win?
Yes. Who do you think will win, guys? Huh? What do you think will win? Tell me.
Let's dance like this guy. Dude, I love this guy's shoulder movement, man. Everyone saying React? Are we coming to a consensus?
Let's go. Yes. So, in our case, yes, it is React for the win. Let's go. Yeah, there we go, guys. Everybody say React. Let's go. Awesome. And again, all are amazing, but we're going to choose one and continue on with that one, okay?
Exactly.
Okay, so in our case, guys, as you know, in the next 5 days or so, we're going to be building a Slack clone, right? In our case, here's kind of like Halusa. So this is kind of an introduction to how a Slack clone looks. It's pretty cool. You can sign in with Google. So you actually have the chance to sign in with Google. Look at this. I can do sign in with Google. Click on here. I can, after that, let me go and wait for a second. Sign in with Google.
Slow Wi-Fi, guys.
That's not bad, actually.
That was good.
That's not bad. So you can let's select email. No, here, right there. Cool. Select your email. And look at this. By the way, look at this. You are in Slack clone, and I can actually type this stuff right here. For example, here I can type. I can say, yo, yo.
Yeah, look. Kazi was having a conversation by himself
with himself.
Yeah.
And you can actually have more people on this Slack channel. Look at this. We have a channel here called ReactJS Challenge, and we can have multiple channels as well. So let's say we add a new channel called, what channel should we add?
Well, we already did the challenge. Like CP is the best.
Okay,
SP.
Whatever, programmer. So we can add our own, for example, look at this. Clever Program is now our channel, and now in this channel we can now be talking. So say, yo, CP fam, right? So, and you guys at the end of this call, not this call, but the end of this challenge, will be able to have this Slack for yourself and be able to have other people join it, and you can be talking live with them.
That is so powerful.
Just how we are live with you right now, right? Through YouTube, you'll be live with them, chatting just like how you are on Messages or WhatsApp or what other messaging tool you use. this is the cool part about how pumped are you
You're gonna
to
get to
build
build
this Slack clone?
clone. Oh
Let
my
us
God.
know
That
in
is
the
crazy.
comments below, guys. How pumped are you to build this? Because we're pretty pumped. I mean, we're pretty excited, man.
We're hyped.
We're hyped.
We're hyped.
So if you're pumped to build a Slack clone, let us know in the comments below. Come on! Whoo! Whoo! Oh. CP, let's go! People are pumped it up. People are pumped. Tony is pumped up. I can see right there. Tony's pumped up. Let's go. Dulfa's like, let's go. Holy shit. That's crazy. To the extreme. Pumped up. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Whoo! Okay, cool, guys. So, let's move on. This is what you get to build. Now, here are the tools that you get to learn, guys, as we build this stuff. All right. Let's go and go back to here. Okay, so you get to use Firebase. What is Firebase and why is it so important for first development? You tell me.
Well, Firebase is what's going to allow us to have the data in the back, because as you saw in the live chat, it's getting the actual history of the chat from somewhere, right?
Correct.
Like,
So, for example, you see how I'm putting the data here? What do you think this is being saved, guys? This is being saved in Firebase, right? In Firebase, this data, right? As I type something into input, this goes, like, let's think about this, okay? So we have, let me go ahead and put this for you more done. We say Firebase here, okay? Let's do brush tool. So let's say this is our database, okay? When you type here, it goes to Firebase, and then Firebase actually updates what we have here. And when you reload your page, it actually comes from Firebase, and that's how we see this. Same thing here, it goes with the collaborative disk channels right here, right? This stuff comes from Firebase. You see what I mean?
yeah.
That's how it works.
That's powerful.
Right? And Firebase auto loads. That's the cool part about Firebase. It auto loads auto shows, auto loads. What is this?
Auto shows,
It's
whatever,
live
does it-
messaging, basically.
yeah.
It allows us to do live messaging. That's the really cool part about Firebase, okay? Okay, next up. If we go ahead, let's go ahead, keep going. Firebase, that's the one we're going to use. Tool, okay, next up. So, boom, it's easy as that, bro. That's insane. Let's go ahead and keep going. Boop. It's free. Oh, yeah, did I mention it's free, guys? It's free and easy to use. Yes. Oh, somebody said real time. Thank you so much. Oh, my God. Finally, I was looking for that. It's real time. Firebase is real time.
Yeah, sometimes I can't read Naz's brain.
I know. Come on, bro. We gotta stay on top of this stuff.
I got to step it
I
up.
know.
Sorry, guys.
And guys, and also, not only will Firebase be the one to do real-time data, right, but Firebase will also be hosting our application. So in the end of our Slack clone, when we finish the Slack clone on day 4, right? You will host your app on something called Firebase hosting, and you will have a live to share, with your friends, with your family. Like, yo, check out what I built.
So you're going to get a link, guys. You're going to have a specific link that someone can go to and start to mess around with your application, because you're making a real life application.
Exactly. Cool. So, all right. So we got that portion. Now here's, again, this is what you'll get to build. Who's excited for that? Let us know in the comments below. With even login made with Firebase as well. So login, by the way, is also by the way with Firebase. So again, it's just a really cool tool.
So what's the stack? What's the technology that we're going to use here?
It's jacked. So
It's jacked.
It's
It's a
jacked.
jacked stack.
Such a good stack.
Let's go.
It's a jack stack. So look here. With awesome stack, what are you going to be learning this coming week? HTML, CSS. Let's put this up. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ReactJS, Firebase. What is this? React Router.
Yes.
No, Redux.
Oh,
Redux. Right? And so much more. Also, you get to learn things like style components. Style components. Okay? So, a lot of different topics you will get to learn, and you will be challenged the next 5 days like crazy. That's the whole point of a name challenge, right? Yep. But at the end of the day, you will have an amazing, not only a project like the Slack clone, but you also have a portfolio to add on top of that. Exactly.
Whoa.
Whoa. So, we'll be helping you build your tech skills live in the training tomorrow to kickstart your career. Who's excited? So, who is excited for tomorrow to start your Slack clone? Drop that in the comments below. Are you excited for the Slack clone tomorrow? Are you? If you are, like this video right now. Like it. Like it.
Appreciate your sound, need a renovation.
Left, right, right, right. Right, left. Now left. Ha. So go ahead and like this video. Let's get this to 1,200 likes, guys. I know you guys got us. I know you guys always do. All right.
So who is going to be leading this? Who is going to be teaching you? Who is going to be guiding you through building this Slack clone?
Hey, you know me. Let's go ahead. Your Josh, let's go. Naz Dumansky. Nazari Dumansky. Woo!
In the right corner.
Hey, wait, are you going to be here too?
What?
Are you going to be there too?
Yeah.
And Daniel Safer, let's go. Oh, we have you on there. Never mind.
Yeah, we have it. Don't worry.
So it's me time right now. So
So we're going to focus on Naz.
for 1 second here. So again, I'm your JavaScript instructor, guys. I've been coding for a long time now, 7 years now at this point, and I had the chance to interview companies like Google, like Squarespace, like Twitter, like Khan Academy, like Palantir, right? And right here we have Blue.
I messed up with the animations. I'm sorry, guys. Let's just go quicker. All right, there we go. Yo!
Hey, give a round of applause for Daniel. Everybody in the comments, let's go, Daniel. Hey.
Yo, so guys, just to give you a little bit background on me, graduating from college, I got a couple of job offers. I had a job offer from Google/YouTube. I had a job offer from Microsoft and Blue Origin. I was like, man, I want to go work on some spaceships. So that big spaceship that you actually see right there, that's called New Glenn.
Yes.
And I got to work with some amazing teams on this spaceship.
Yes,
So,
yes.
it was an amazing opportunity, man. And I'm glad to be here with you. I'm glad to be here with Nas so that we could teach you guys all the knowledge that we have in here.
And whatever's in this brain right here, guys, whatever's in here, this brain, guys, will go to you.
We're going to throw it at
Go
you.
to you, right? But transfer it to you. It's like a mimosas, not mimosas. What is it called?
Mimosas.
Mimosas?
Oh,
No.
osmosis.
Osmosis.
Mimosas with osmosis. Let's go.
Mimosa with osmosis. Oh, that's amazing. Cool. So again, that's gonna be your structure as well, guys. We're gonna be cool and doing all that stuff. So Epic Coaches of CP, guys. We have Kanzi, we have Nas, we have Daniel, we have David. David's gonna be showing up as well. Jesse's gonna be showing up as well, guys. Guys, as you guys see them in the comments, go ahead and say thank you so much for everybody down below. And as you see the CP team between Sheila, between Monet, between Amanath, and so many other people,
everyone, yes.
just say thank you so much. Because they are the reason why we can bring so much energy and so much ability to you to make this epic challenge happen. Without people like those, without Frankie's not here, without Frankie and so many more people, this would not happen. So love the team, love you, love CP. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going.
Yeah, so guys, how can you take the most advantage of these next couple of days, and what can you do so that you can have success? Because we want you guys to be successful. That's why we're here. We're here to give you guys value.
Exactly. So really simple, guys. Okay. Well, for one, make sure you join this JavaScript challenge below again to have a chance not only to build your portfolio, to kickstart your career as a JavaScript developer, but also to go ahead and actually win a prize of 15K bootcamp full stack mastery prize. So that's pretty sick. Okay, cool. So here, how to learn code. Believe you are limitless. That's part one. Growth mindset. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that there is more to you than right now, right? That the fact that there is more opportunities, there are more possibilities. A lot of people, unfortunately, are stuck in their mindset. They're stuck in the belief in the fact that they can't do it, right? Guys, we're going to come to a close now at this point, right? Daily habits of coding. Code daily. Daily.
ABC.
Right.
Always be coding.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Always be coding, right? 1 hour, 30 minutes, at least something. That is how when you put in those hours, that is how you get the results you want.
Yes.
Right? If you do it once a month, that's not going to take you anything. I've had students like that. I'm sorry. They're not going to go anywhere. Right? If you don't do that. Cool. Awesome. How to learn to code? Well, why can I not solve this? So you can be either...
You could be like this angry guy here.
Yeah.
Or you could be like this cool. I mean, essentially what this breaks down to is you can take on two different mindsets. You could take on the problem-centric mindset or problem-oriented mindset. Like this guy over here, he's got a problem. He's mad about the problem. Could you show the slide real quick?
Oh, thank you.
He's mad about the problem. So he hits his computer with his keyboard because he's focused so much on the problem. Or you could become solution oriented, where you try to figure out, like, you see the problem and you try to figure out the solution to fix that specific problem.
Exactly. So you can be either here or here, right? Your mind should always be, how can I solve this? Not, oh, I'm stuck or I can't do it. It should be always, how can I do it? I can't do it. There's a saying that says, if I can't, then I must. And if I must, then I can. Read that, study that, put that into your brain, tattoo it if you have to. Because you can, trust me. Awesome. Now, so subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay, also very important, guys, right now, for everybody right now, everybody, okay, you're listening right now? Everybody, very important.
Listen.
Hit the notification bell icon down below. Hit the notification bell icon right now, because whenever we go live these next 5 days, it's going to be really important for you to stay on top of it, okay? Stay on top of it. So go ahead and hit the notification button. And if you did that, let us know in the comments below. Hit the notification button.
Give us the thumbs up emoji to let us know that you liked the video, to let us know that you hit that notification button below, so that you're going to see these next coming days whenever we have these videos and we go live. You'll be able to get it through YouTube, or if you already joined the group, in Discord and Facebook, because that's the other places that we're on.
Yes. So if you hit the notification button below, let us know in the comments. Done. Everybody says done. Amazing. Awesome. Sweet. A lot of people saying I want to become ReactJS developers. Done. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Awesome. And of course, like this video. Let's get this to 1,200 before we leave today. Can we get it?
We can get to 1,200.
Yeah, no problem,
but first,
bro.
let's let them know where we're going to be live for the challenge. And again, we want you guys to join our communities. When you actually join the challenge, when you hit that link below, you're going to be able to join our community. So you can also see here on YouTube Live, but you're also going to be able to join the Facebook group. You're going to be able to join the Discord. That's where all the conversations are going. And that's where everyone is really talking about how they're going to be learning. And they're going to be talking about literally what they're learning in this challenge.
Yeah. So again, when you join ReactJS Challenge, right, which is linked down below, again, you will have the ability to join Discord, join Facebook. Instagram will be our social media where we'll be posting everything. So make sure you post all your stuff as you're doing this stuff, right?
Connect with us, tag
exactly.
us.
Slack
show us
as
love,
well.
We'll show you love again.
Yeah. So again, very, very, very important. All right. Now, don't forget the prizes again.
What's
again,
number
just
one,
to
Naz?
reiterate. Number one is the most important, amazing 6-month full-stack mastery bootcamp, guys. This is where you will literally become a full-stack developer from zero to full-stack development, guys. It's an insane coding bootcamp. We're so proud of it. And you get a chance. It's $15K worth. So people, yeah, it's insane. Wow. And you will get it for free if you win. But again, if you win, to win, share this video. So here, to win, share this video, okay? Comment, right? Join the community. Be positive. Share it on Instagram. Anywhere that you see clever programmer, anywhere that you are, share it, because that grabs attention. And most importantly, very important, of course, is make sure to do your best in the challenge, as in build the clones, stay on top of the clones, one clone, stay on top of the clone, and of course, add some additional features to it, right? I think that's a really important part. Don't just be like everybody else. Try to differentiate yourself from everybody else, because that's what we see. We see people who differentiate yourself and who really want it. Because if you really want it, you will put in the time and the work.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah,
You'll
100%.
do what needs to get done.
Exactly. Cool. So again, second place, right? You get all of our clever programmer students. That's worth over 3K, which is insane. And third place, our amazing Prophet of JavaScript. And actually, at the end of this 5-day challenge, you will get a chance to actually enroll into Prophet JavaScript. We'll be launching PWJ, which is going to be so much fun, right? You're going to be launching PWJ, and you will get a chance again to actually get it for free. Again, one person, third place, right? So that's going to be insane too. So if you're pumped right now for all these prizes, let us know in the comment below. Screenshot this right here. If you have, share it on Instagram, tag us as well. Really, really important, guys. Let's go. Who's pumped? Down in the comment below. 1,176 likes.
Wow.
Cool. So
should we dive into what they should do today after getting off of this call?
So after getting off of this call, right, which has been amazing, by the way, so much
been
fun.
amazing.
It's been amazing, right? We will give you a portfolio to build, right? In this portfolio, this is going to be your portfolio where you will build, you'll put your project down there, right? This is, hi, I'm David. This is about you. You have all your links around here. Contact me, see my resume. It's pretty insane. Can we actually look at it right here? Let's take a look at it. This is going to be a portfolio. You will learn how to build it. You will not, well, we will give you the portfolio. Oh, this is slick. Look at this.
Wow.
Ooh, this is good. Oh,
look at that
man.
animation.
Let's go.
Good job,
Experiences. And this stuff. Guys, who's pumped to get this at the end of this coaching call? Huh? Who's pumped to get this? Guys, this is good. David, nice job. Look at this. Holy moly. Contact me. Whoa, this is amazing.
Good job,
All these
David.
animations.
I don't even know how he got those, but they're awesome.
Oh, it's white. Oh, look at this. Oh, holy shit. Wow. Look at that.
Dope.
Guys, so see my resume. This is your resume. Contact me. If you contact me, it scrolls you all the way to the bottom. If you want to get this, oh, people are pumped. Let's go. That's me. There we go.
That's me.
Oh,
That's
damn.
me.
So much love for this specific. Whoa.
Thank you guys so much for the love, the support. I mean, we wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And that's why we're
Yes.
here. That's why Naz and I show up every day, because we're so excited
Yes.
to bring you guys value.
Yes. So holy shit is what I can say to you. All right, let's go. Oh wow, somebody, let's go. That's
Yes.
insane.
So guys, this is the homework. You're going to get your portfolio. And before we go into the Q&As and we start to wrap up this call, we just want to let you know day 2 is going to start tomorrow, 11 a.m. PST. Write that down right now. Put that right now in your calendar.
Everybody right now, let's do this right now. Check this out, guys. Everybody right now. Everybody.
Right now.
Here, right now.
Right now.
Let's go to your phones. Open up your phone, okay?
Open up
Really
your phone.
important. Go to your alarm clock. Just so you see right here. See how I have alarm clock right there?
Alarm clock.
Right, you see how 8 a.m., 7:45. Set it to 11 a.m. PST. I'm not sure what time it is for you on your time zone, but I'm gonna do 11 a.m. PST right now. Let's go ahead and do 11 a.m. PST. 11 a.m. right there. Good.
Perfect.
And you see now right there? Look at this. Now I have 11 a.m. right there turned on. If you have to do 10 a.m., turn on 10 a.m. so you have some time. Maybe you want to
Yes,
chillax.
yes.
Maybe you want to, I don't know. Maybe you want to.
I'd recommend doing it maybe like 10 minutes before 11 a.m.
Yeah,
so that
yeah,
you could get the warning. You're like, oh man, we're about to go live on day 2. We're about to get into the code. We're going to crush it. And then you
Yes.
get that alarm.
Yes.
you can
So
prepare.
if you've done that, let us know in the comments below. All right. Again, this tells us you're serious. Again, a lot of the stuff we look for in people to win to win the challenge.
Yes.
Right? To win the challenge.
The engagement that you have, the seriousness that you show up with. If you play all out, if you go all out during these next 5 days, that's what we're looking at.
Beautiful.
We're watching you guys. We're going to see your name, your username pop up. We're going to see your picture pop up. And we'll be like, whoa, I remember Johnny. Johnny was crushing it from day 1.
Yeah.
I think he should become the bootcamp winner, because look what he did. He put in the work. He learned. Who knows?
Maybe Daniel will become the
Maybe
bootcamp winner.
I'm gonna beat you guys.
Maybe. So you guys wanna compete against Daniel because this guy's pretty good, But he's okay. Depends.
You guys might be able to beat me. I don't know. We'll see.
So cool, guys. So now you might be asking, how do we go ahead and actually, how will this be delivered, guys? We will make a Facebook post. You will get a Facebook post. Let's go ahead and do this. If you're in the challenge, which you should be, right? There will be a homework Facebook post where you will have all the instructions. They will probably be in about half an hour.
Will we also put it in Discord, by the way?
Yes.
Okay.
Homework post on Facebook, also in Discord.
Now, guys, you can only be part of the Facebook and Discord community if you have joined the challenge. So if you're watching us through YouTube, make sure you click the link below, join the challenge, and join our communities in Facebook and Discord.
Yes, correct. So Facebook, Discord, and of course, we're going to email you as well. So, and make sure you do this by tomorrow. It's a pretty simple process for you to create your what's it called? To create this portfolio. And for homework for tomorrow, guys, right? You will go ahead for tomorrow. You have to create your portfolio. So basically, you will edit the portfolio, and the instructions are pretty easy. It's just a JSON file that you will have to edit, and we'll have a small video for you on how to do it, right? In the homework post. Just go ahead, like I said, put all the new stuff, put all your text, whatever you have. If you have no experience, don't worry about that, right? Don't worry about that at all, right? If you have blogs, if you don't have any blogs, don't worry about that. Just put in your contact and so forth. And then make sure, of course, to share it with everybody on Facebook and Discord and just show them what you got, okay? Again, catch our attention.
Yes, you can even tag us on those so that we could see your amazing work when you start to fill in your portfolios, guys, because this is a challenge for yourself, but it's also a very social thing where you're going to have an amazing community to empower you to learn and just love and support everything that you do.
Correct. So at this point, guys, we are pretty much done. It's been insane, guys. This one we're going to go to is let's go into I'm done here. Let's go into Q&A. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below on YouTube, on Facebook if you have as well. Yeah. By the way, 1,190 likes, guys. Let's get to 1,200 likes.
1,200? Let's go.
Oh. 1,200 likes. 1,191. Let's go. Can we get it to 1,191?
Snaps.
Hey. Oh. 1,097. 1,200. Ready? Oh, everybody party.
Hey, do it with me. You know what we're about to do. Do it with me right now.
Ready?
Appreciate your sound, need for innovation.
Where else do you guys get this energy? I have no idea.
Nowhere.
Nowhere
I'm
else.
telling you, by the end of these 5 days, you're going to be masterful at JavaScript and that dance move. Because you're going to see it so many times, it's just going to be ingrained in your brain.
All right, let's see some questions, guys. Let's see some questions. Let me see. Let me go and see some questions. I will go ahead and
Are you sharing the screen?
No, I don't need to share the screen of this one.
Okay.
So let's see some questions. Let me see. I'm gonna look at the questions here. So, is there homework for today? Yes, there is, guys. Like I said, we will post a homework post, right? There will be a homework post on Facebook, on Discord, and everywhere. There will be homework, which is to create your portfolio and make it live. Okay, 2 things. Create your portfolio. We're going to give you the portfolio. All you have to do is change the content of the portfolio, okay? Again, that's pretty much it. Let me do this one more time, guys. Do this one more time. Hold on, let me do this one more time. Just to create here. So text. Shit, hold on. Here, let's put it like right there. So let's do it here. Freeze. There we go. So part 1, download the portfolio. Again, from the homework post. Part 2, okay, let's go ahead and change the text to the text for the portfolio, which will be text related to you. Folio, okay. Part 3 is make the portfolio live. We will give you the directions how to do that. It's pretty easy. You use something called Netlify. Live, right? Using Netlify. Okay, right there. And then finally, part 4, submit it to us. And again, instructions will be on Facebook and Discord to us. But also share it on Facebook. 5, share it on Facebook.
Again, the sharing is amazing because you get to share it with the community that is going to support it, that is going to cheer you on. And when you do that and you take those small wins, you're able to move forward and get that momentum just building for you.
Yes. So everybody right now, screenshot this right now. Screenshot it, save it for yourself because otherwise you won't know it. So screenshot it and then you will for sure then know what to do with that, okay? Cool. All right.
Let's go get more questions.
All right, let's look. Yeah, and don't spam, please. If you spam, then we won't go ahead and no. All right, more questions. Whew. All right, the link. Guys, the link portfolio will be shared. How many times do I have to say this, guys? Please listen. Will be shared on Facebook and Discord. Okay, if you're in the challenge, it will be on Discord and Facebook. Gosh darn it. Will you be doing any challenges? Somebody said, hold on. Where is it? Bryant asked, will you be doing any challenges using Next.js in the future? Yes, we will. Yes, 100%. Yes, there's so much more coming, guys. So many more opportunities coming. You have no idea. Of course. Any advice on finding a local mentor? Well, I would say for that, go to local meetups. That's part 1. What?
I'm pointing at the question.
Yeah. So go to nice. So go to local meetups, right? And just kind of make connections through people, right? Don't just say, hey, I want a mentor. I want you to be my mentor. No. Go to local meetups. find them through, for example, there's meetups.com. That's an amazing tool for you guys to find them, right?
Yeah, and even then, if you go to these local meetups, remember, they're the person that's going to be your mentor. They're also a busy human being. So it's not about just taking from that. It's a relationship. You want to see how you could bring value to that relationship, right? It's not just about, hey, teach me all the cool things. It's what can I bring and what value can I bring to this person that they'll want to mentor me.
Yes, correct. And just really quick, one last thing, guys. Again, make sure you join the ReactJS challenge. That's the only way that you'll be able to see the homework, post the homework, and be considered for the 15K bootcamp prize, guys. Otherwise, I'm sorry. If you're just watching, no good.
You have to take action.
Link is description, guys, if you're interested in that, okay?
Yep.
Really simple. Now, somebody asks here, does it have to be Netlify for the homework? Yes, we will use Netlify. Don't worry about that. Recapit. I don't know how to say that. How do you say that?
Blank on the homework, please.
Guys, really simple. Here's the homework right there. Right there. Just learn it. Screenshot it.
Screenshot.
Very simple. Download portfolio, link in Facebook going to be change the text from the portfolio to make it your own, make the portfolio live using Netlify. Again, all instructions will be provided for you. So David, if you can provide the instructions using creating you simple Loom video, that'd be amazing. That's pretty simple. Submit it to us and share it on Facebook. That's it. Okay, next up. All right, which code editor? VS Code, guys, okay? Can we customize the portfolio to this? Of course.
Yes,
that's
please.
bonus points, guys.
Please do so, because that is going to be you diving into the code and changing it up to actually, do some programming on that.
Yes. And of course, guys, make sure to join the challenge, as you know. Very important, guys. All right. Let's see. I feel it will be more productive. Post them both, Kyle. Post them both. Post them on Facebook, on our Facebook, in our group, so that people can see what you're doing, give you hints and feedback, and of course, post on LinkedIn as well. So that's a great post. Yeah. What we'll learn. We talked about what we will learn. ReactJS, Firebase, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So many. Somebody said, please this again.
I'm having fun. Nobody done it like me.
Nobody did it like me. All right, let's see who else we got. Let me see. Do dance, please. Okay, am I allowed to? Yes, you are allowed to customize the portfolio, just so you know. Next. Well, hey, I'm 16 and I want to get a job at the age of 17. Can you please tell me exactly how to learn JS, like the easy way to understand? Best way, join this challenge right now, right? That's gonna be a great way for you to start out. Learn the fundamentals, right? Through YouTube tutorials, through courses and so forth, right? That's the best way to start out, and then build projects. Build projects by yourself. Very important, okay? By yourself as well. Awesome. Yes, these videos are saved on YouTube and they are saved on Facebook. If you're in the Facebook group, they are saved there. So don't worry, everything is there and it's all organized. Day 1, day 2, day 3, so no worries. Is portfolio responsive? Oh, you bet it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you bet it is.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, when we start to make Slack? Tomorrow, 11 a.m. PST, guys. Come there, you will be there, right? Next. All right. Let's see. What else? What can you do? Popping in to say hi. Hey, Logan, what's up? Hey, good to see you, Logan. Let's go.
Dude, I haven't seen Logan in a while.
I know. Jenny says, are we supposed to install everything Node React by ourselves? Don't worry, we'll provide you some instructions. So David, if you can provide instructions for them, maybe help them out, maybe create a small little video, we'll go ahead and do that for you. Don't worry. We'll got you. We got you. Don't worry. Okay. How can I stay motivated to code? Because after participating so much, I fall out and lose interest. It's pretty, guys. So number one is pressure. It's actually pressure on yourself. Don't put so much pressure on yourself. Find a way to enjoy coding, right? So actually just have fun with it. A lot of people put pressure on themselves thinking that if they can't do something, they can't solve it. That's it. It's not meant for them. But that's not the reality of things.
No, I mean, even then, it's all like a lot of things that you try to do, whether it's coding or anything else, there's going to be a lot of challenges. There's going to be a lot of obstacles. There's going to be a lot of failure, but you have to stick with it. So very often instead of trying to ask yourself, how do you stay motivated? Try to ask yourself, how can you stay disciplined? Because motivation is going to be up and down depending on the day, but discipline can be there for you day after day after day. So if you switch that question and you see the habits that you have to build, that's going to help you to keep on moving forward even when it gets tough.
Yes, of course. And of course, guys, very important, I want to say, go ahead and tag us on Instagram. Let's go ahead and let me show you where the tag is. Right there. Tag us right here. Clever Kazi, Naz Demansky, Daniel Safer right here. Tag us on Instagram. Show us what you got, because that's how we see your passion, your drive, and that's how we consider you also for, the prizes. I mean, apart from just being a good, positive person, and and showing us what you got in terms of actual coding. Okay, so really important. So screenshot this if you have to, but yeah, share us there. Cool, awesome. Next up, let's see. Whoo, let's go. Love Team CP. Let's go. Amazing.
Thank you.
Love it. Okay, any thoughts on data science? Ooh, hi, I'm Rice. I'm exploring many different programming. Let me see. Career options. Any thoughts on the data science field? You guys are great, by the way. Thank you so much. So. Data science is amazing. I mean, what's your take on it? As I've been talking a lot. What's your take on it?
Nice save, Naz. So here's my take on data science, right? Is in programming, there's going to be so many different fields. There's going to be so many new shiny objects. So I think it's going to come back to what I said in this live before, which is you have to be self-aware. If you personally like developing web applications and you want to become a web developer, then go for that path. If you like to go more towards the route of being able to get a lot of data, put it in a way that people can see it, data analytics, data science, data analysis, all those things, then it might be something worth exploring. But in the end, there's no perfect path. Just choose something that's congruent with you and that you will like.
I agree with that. Try data science. Data science is an important field that's growing very fast. May that be with JavaScript or Python. I built my first machine learning algorithm using from a free course that I did, which has been amazing. Yeah. And that actually is what got me an internship. That was awesome as well. So there's a lot of opportunities to grow there, and it's also really fun. Like, right? I mean, think about a Tesla, for example, right? Like, how do you think their cars can do autopilot? Like, I drove the Tesla yesterday, and it's crazy. Like, bro, it just drives by itself.
Yeah, like it was just there, and the wheels like turning by itself.
Just
and
turning.
I was like, whoa, what's going on? But it did that because it had a lot of data.
Yes.
All this data is coming in, and the vehicle is figuring out what it has to do next. So it's super important, but see if you really like it. Give it a try.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, it's all fine. You can go
you can
do
move
something
on.
else.
Yeah. But as you're doing data science, no matter which field you start out with, the cool part is you will build a problem-solving mind. So if you, let's say, you try data science, you didn't like it, you can very easily transfer out to full stack development or front end or back end so easily because you already have the problem solving mind of a developer.
And that's why it's important to know and understand the fundamentals, because the fundamentals you can translate from different fields to different languages.
Yes. So portfolio, guys, please hear me out. Portfolio link is going to be in the Facebook post when we post it. Gosh darn it.
And if you're not in the Facebook group, click the link below to join the challenge so that you can get into the Facebook group.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Learning JS without CSS. You will learn JS and HTML and CSS together as you're doing this kind of stuff. So like in this ReactJS challenge, again, you're going to be learning this together, okay? So don't worry about it. One thing I will say to you is just, 1.2k likes? Can we get to 1.3k likes? Let's go.
Yo, thank you, Tiger1234. Hype everyone up so we get to 1.3.
1.3k, you don't know it. Cool. All right, any more questions? We have to make exact sum. Yes, correct. Yes, Atufa. Yes, that's correct. Of course, if you want to modify it to your liking, that's always going to give you some extra points. Yes, of course, a complete new person can win this, right? Yes. As long as you go ahead and show us what you got, as long as you go ahead and show us your ability, your excitement, right? That's the only thing that we need, guys, okay? That's the only thing we need, guys, right? That's it. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right?
That's literally it. Like, guys, we're not doing it based off of, like, the coolest thing. It's a mix of a lot of different things. Like, How much effort did you put in? Were you engaging with the community? Were you supporting other people? Were you showing up to the calls at 11 a.m. PST on every day, Monday through Friday for these next couple of days? Were you doing all these things and participating? And do you deserve to get the $15,000 prize of Full Stack Mastery Bootcamp?
Exactly.
That is what we're looking at. So it doesn't matter your skill level right now. It matters where you end up by the end of these next 5 days.
And profit with JavaScript as well. So there's a lot.
Exactly.
Cool. So yes, JavaScript or Java. I would say JavaScript. What do you think?
Depends what you want to do, right? I mean, if you're trying to do Java stuff, then go do Java stuff. But we're here to learn front end stuff. We're here to build an amazing Slack clone. So in this case, the answer is JavaScript.
JS. Let's go. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Cool.
This is awesome.
All right, let's see. Up next, guys, we'll go and stay on there for about 1 minute. So, guys, Kazi is here. You guys, he just jumped on for a second, guys. As you guys know, Kazi's mom was actually in the hospital. She had triple bypass surgery, so he had to kind of step away for a little bit, right? Let's go ahead and wish Kazi and his mom, you know, a amazing recovery, right? Make sure you have Kazi's mom in your prayers as well, you know, so she can recover as fast as possible, guys. But yeah, that's just why Kazi hasn't even been able to be on here, guys, right? Because of course, family is always number one, guys. Family is always number one, always, no matter what, guys. It's always number one. Okay. So that's very important to us, to everybody. We're here as a family, right? We're here as a family, as a CP team, and we're here as a family when we as a family is, you know, we have each other as a family, and we have our own families, of course, and we love each other so much. Yes, exactly. Awesome. Cool, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys for all the amazing love you guys have, as always. Bradfield. Yo, Bradfield, what's up? What's up, Kazi? What's up, Bradfield? Good to hear. Good to see you. God bless. Yes. Love Kazi and the fam. Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the score. You guys are great,
yes,
of course.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate you. Good vibes, always good vibes, no matter what, always good vibes. You think it's bad to explore many programming languages? Let me see. Angelo asked, you think it's bad, hold on. It's bad to explore many programming languages and not specialize in one? No, it's not bad. Honestly, the more you learn, the better, right? As you get better in one language, then you say you go to another language, get better at that language, that will actually improve your ability in a different language.
Yes, I will say, however, before you try to explore these languages, really master one, really get one down and understand it. Because if you just try to learn all these different languages at the same time, you're going to get really confused and you're not going to learn a lot of things. So stick with one in the beginning, get really good at it, master it, and then later you can go out and explore with everything else.
Yes, of course. Okay, what's the Facebook group, guys? Facebook group is down below. Join the JavaScript challenge, the ReactJS challenge down below. Join the Facebook group. When you join, you will have access to Facebook group and Discord. That's where everything is, okay? This is where the whole community is. We're literally right now, I'm looking at Discord right now, guys. Hold on, don't switch, hold on. I'm looking at Discord right now. It's pretty insane. Can I show them this? Hold on. Look at this.
Yep,
we currently
sure.
Hold on. Let me just think about this. We currently have, how many people do we have? Members list. Let me see. Let me share it for you guys. This is insane. Look at all these people we have. Look at this, guys. Wow. All these people. Look at this. Holy moly.
Thank you guys
we
so much
have,
for that support.
Look, online,
guys.
350 people.
Wow.
Look at this. 6 right here. Look at this. And all together, how many people do we have all together?
We have an amazing,
I think it's 2K.
A lot of people.
I think it's 2,000,
I
think, altogether.
So
I'm not sure exactly how many, though.
Thank you guys so much for that support. If you want to join the community, probably the best programming community in the universe.
Yes.
You're going to meet them right here in this challenge. So click that link below if you haven't just yet. Join the community, get in Discord, get in Facebook, because that is how you can get the most out of this challenge.
Yes.
To help you master ReactJS.
Always, guys. And that's been awesome.
2020.
How do I know how many people are in this course?
I just think there's so many people that Discord's not going to tell you. It's just like, wow.
Are you sure?
No, it's probably going to tell you, but.
Are you sure? I don't know.
It's got to tell you somewhere, man.
How many do we have? How many people? Like, look at all these amazing comments. So many amazing people are on here, guys. It's crazy. Holy shit.
Amazing.
Look at this. Whoa. It just goes on and on and on. Wow. We rock. Let's go. Holy cow, this is awesome. Look at this, guys.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. We just want to be able to make sure that we can give you guys just as much value as you deserve.
Yeah.
And helping you guys learn ReactJS.
So of course, I think it's gonna be around 3,000 people in Discord.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, let's get more. If you haven't joined Discord yet, get in there because the conversations are happening there.
Yes. So guys, at this point, guys, this has been an amazing experience with all of you guys. We love you all. Signature move on beat again. We love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. This has been day 1 of the ReactJS challenge. I know you are pumped. We are excited, all right? All I can say to you guys is get ready for day 2 where you will learn how to build a Slack clone. Day 2, day 3, day 4, right? In that case, all I can say to you at this point is
see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. PST for day 2 where we're going to dive deep into that Slack clone.
Exactly. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.